Yo, chat, yeah. What's up? GTA 6 gameplay leaked? Shut up, really? You're trolling. Behind
Mayday.
Me? Mayday!
Smite.
Hold on. GTA 6 gameplay released leak. Breaking urgent news at the moment. Hold on. Videos and new info leaked to Rockstar. They're already closing the accounts that uploaded the GTA 6 gameplay. They're also already leaked the game's map. Shut up.
Is this Kevin Whippaloo?
So, yeah, play GTA 6. Okay. Nice, Poggy's back.
What was that fancy Sims game all the streamers played last year? This looks like that.
Bro, what the fuck? This is literally just fucking Tifu's house. What the hell? Dude, Tifu's house is now in GTA 6. Cool. Yeah, this guy can't shoot for shit. I mean, he's white. It's realistic as fuck. Who knows? Do you guys think this is real? Here's the map? No way. GTA 6 full map. This is the entire map. Okay, so you got Lummox County. This doesn't look anything like Florida.
Go to
Kelly
the link.
County. You want me to go here? I'm scared. I'm terrified. You want me to go to that link? No way. Should we? I like this little celery thing that we get, though.
Where is the Strait of Hormuz in the map?
Where's the Strait of Hormuz? The Strait of Hormuz, let's see. Rockstar doesn't own the Strait of Hormuz, actually. Trump does, according to what he's saying, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so this was GTA 4, this is GTA 5, and this is the size of GTA 6. You know, I'm not a really big fan of bigger is better. You know what I mean? Like, oh, it's twice the size. I really don't give a fuck if it's twice the size if the content is not good. Here's the car gameplay. It really got fully leaked. It was in response to legal demand. It's real. It's real. Oh yeah, that's real. Oh, that's 100% real. Now, what I'm very interested in, despite this leak, is I'm very interested to see. I mean, this is definitely Florida chat. This could be one of those dash cam videos for all I fucking know. It looks the exact same. But let me see something. Let me see cyber leak. I'm curious of this on Solana now, if this is doing well or not, from the fact that it just leaked the crap out of this. Let's take a look. Okay, this might be a buying opportunity. It might be better than some of our stocks. Wow. Chat, it's actually looking pretty, I can't tell. I have no idea how to read these charts. Yo, SDMO, what do you think? Okay, so it went 0.00024 to 0.0024. Am I crazy? 0.00024. The fuck? Are we going all in on Cyber Leak, chat? What do you guys think?
All in.
Yeah, what do you guys think? $200,000 in liquidity. We can literally buy this entire thing right now. Which means if we buy this, chat, we might be getting full access to GTA. Dude, Aiden Ross might be able to give this guy $200,000 and he can get the GTA 6 that he always wanted, right? If this guy's got the leaks and he has $200,000 liquidity, we buy him out and then we can just say, hey, dude, we want your entire company on right now, right? We use that money, chat, to buy more stocks, of course, obviously, right? We don't really care for GTA 6. It's a waste of our time. Kids games, you know? We don't give a fuck about child play. What do you guys think? You're gonna double the token, and then some kid's gonna rug it? Yo, we could rug kids. I'm down.
Out of your face. Suck a dick.
Yeah, okay. There's no way, like, you give us 1 minute of leaking GTA 6 and you just beat the fucking shit out of a dude on the side of the road. Like, this is all you're giving us. It's just this is why Cyber Leak is not going to blow up. You know, he's just beating the shit out of this one guy. Okay, but you know what's interesting to look at this when you're looking at this, chat? Look at how he is hitting the wrench. Like, if this is really the leak, which I think it is because GTA 6, Rockstar took them down, it's not really that crazy. Like, yes, the graphics definitely look better, even though it's on Twitter, so it's kind of shit quality, right? But he's just not even hitting him. He's hitting him in his ass. Like, look at that. He's just mauling his ass with the wrench. And if you look at the physics, like, why is that happening when he's kind of missing his ass? Like, look, the wrench is not even hitting his ass. And then there's like that little tear in his shit right here, you know?
Wrench in Fluffy's ass.
And this, why is the map in the middle of the water? Why is there a helicopter just there?
A stack of bangers.
Is this the missing CCTV Mitch was talking about?
Good one. Dude, why do I feel like GTA 6 people are just going to be complaining nonstop, saying that this game is trash, this game is dog shit, this is all we waited for, it's the same thing as GTA 5, yada, yada, yada. We got to buy the rumor, sell the news, chat, with this one, I'm telling you. Or maybe, I mean, I'm also retarded and gay, so I don't know. They're already complaining. They're already complaining. But I'm complaining. I'm 1 minute in and I'm already complaining. I'm just saying it. But you could see his hair, like this. Is GTA 5 graphics that good? Okay, what are we caring about? We have to focus on the stock market. Why the fuck are we talking about this, chat? You're distracting me. You're distracting me. Okay, I'm gonna let you know something. It's not looking too good. It's not looking too good, but chat, we have to play something before we start. I'm not even gonna pull it up yet.
I am a successful trader. I am an intelligent trader. I have great trading psychology. I believe in myself. I am a trading genius. I am a master in trading. I deserve to make a lot of money. I know the rules to make money and follow the rules to make money. I am focused on how I can make millions in the stock market. I build up my financial wealth through trading. I trade for a short time but win big time. I invest to create passive income streams. I let the market tell me what to trade and when to trade.
Shout out Rockstar for this. Appreciate you.
I am focused on making money.
All right, chat. So here's the thing. I'm gonna let you know something right now before we start.
The rule is to make money.
Yes, I posted a YouTube video on my main channel. I know, huge news and it's very important. You guys should go watch it if you haven't already. Okay? It's a good video, I think. But one thing that's important to know. You're down today. I'm gonna let you know something. You're down a lot. You're down a lot. Okay? Before we open the portfolio, I want you to know you're down a lot. It was not a good day. Okay? But what does a good day, or what does a bad day mean?
You are down.
Good buying opportunity. Okay? Good buying opportunity. You have $100,000 cash. I feel like it's deal or no deal, and
Call Wall Street, he's crying.
And we just got the $1 million, and we're just upset right now. Okay? Buy more AMD. It's cheap. Here's the thing. Right now, chat, it is down and it's not looking too good. It's not looking good, right? And the reason why it's not looking good is not much. But remember, not much is what pushed us down so far last time. The news isn't really anything crazy. The bond market is really the problem here. There's a sell-off of the worldwide bond market that's going on right now. But yes, it's a lot of red. It is triple down on the AMD. Let's go through and show you what's making it rough. First of all, listen, I'm not a perfect person, and I'm going to show you guys my portfolio so you guys can go, whoa. Ouch. Okay, look at that. That is also an ouchie right there. I am down $250,000 today on my portfolio. The reason why I'm down is because I bought last night, I bought even more NBIS because they actually got approved. I waited for it last night in Vinland, New Jersey. They got approved for their new data center or the new center, and I was very excited about it. I bought it and I went to bed, not putting a stop loss like an idiot. Kappa123's in the chat, bruh. I'm down hard. So now I pray. But we don't pray, chat. This is not Steam to Gabe Newell. We don't pray for anything. We make money, all right? So I doubled down even more, and now we wait. I believe in MBIS, and I think it's going to go up, all right? So let's see. So I wait. I bought in. I bought my stuff. I actually bought it right about here at 2, like when it dropped, so I'm up a little bit, but we wait. But for you guys, we need to act fast. Now, I'm going to let you guys know something on days like today. The best thing you could do is just walk away. I'm telling you right now, the best thing we could do is just get this over with and do this, and we just move on. Because if you stare at it, it's going to drive you crazy, right? You don't want to stare at this all day. It's going to make you go nuts, okay? So right now, what is making the stocks go down? And then we'll go from there. Because remember, last time this happened, all of our stocks continued to go down, right? For a long, long time, to the point where actually, if you guys weren't really here.
Can we see our open P&L top to bottom?
You guys weren't here for the bloodbath that was, but let me show you this. So you guys invested in the moo, and you guys basically got out at the tippy top. I'm telling you, you guys basically did. You guys had a big dip, and then we got out. Yeah, that's the YouTube video on the main channel, right? It's like, yeah, you guys got out. For all of July, okay, look at this. It basically just shattered. This is the moo. The moo shattered 35% at its lowest on July 29th. It shattered at 35%. It dropped so hard. It got fucked. But now it's back up. Now here's the thing. One bad day in the market is not your problem. Because look, if you look at the lows, just what it was 3 weeks ago, and you go from here, it's still up 27%, which is fucking insanity, right? But the question is, will it go back down and continue to fall to where it, like it did before, which means it would even go lower than this number because it's not really up that much compared to where it was, right? The highs were 1,200. It's at 930, right? Now, why is it taking such a dip? Despite the fact that these companies had such good news, chat, the past 2 weeks. Amazing news. You have the Trump administration saying, hey, don't buy these fucking chips from China. What are you doing? Buy them from America. We really don't like that. We want you to buy it from here. We have like companies that are building here. Apple's building here. All these things are happening. But for some reason, we had a huge drop today, chat. And Micron itself is down 7%. And we are wondering what the fuck to do, okay? So, because you guys are down 8,000. Now, here's the thing. I want to remind you guys. I'm going to let you know something. We're down $21,000 today. This is when, last time we did this, this is how people started making way more money than everyone else, was right at these moments, because when the stocks were down, people bought more and they bought in, and then that's how they became the first on the list. Pharaoh Shady became number one because he bought in when we were all low, right? So this is the time. Yes, we didn't know this was gonna happen, it did, but instead of just walking away and being a pussy, if you buy in now and know that this is the best time for you, because Chad, this is not a 1 month opportunity. Remember, we're doing this probably till like November, okay? So it's fucking August 18th. You have so much time on your hands to make your money. And this is the buying opportunity that you guys want. This is it. If you have tickets, these are your moments when the stocks are dropping like this, right? This is your day. Okay? Now let's go over why it's happening. Let's start with the retard himself, Jim Cramer. I'm kidding, he's not retarded, but he's kind of close. Jim Cramer, 19 hours ago, said that Moo can double again because the market is still pricing Micron like a boom and not a bust memory stock. He says data center demand has become endless while long-term agreements lock in margins, making this cycle fundamentally different from what the market is used to. Thank you, Jim Cramer, for basically saying what everyone has known on Twitter for the past 2.5 years. Thank you, man. Thank you. Very good stuff. Basically saying, you know what? I'm going to fuck everything up. And boy, did he, chat. Forget the bond market. Forget Donald Trump. Jim Cramer said that he likes Micron, therefore Micron's down. All right? If you guys don't know, there's the inverse Cramer, which you can actually invest in, and it's on autopilot. Look at this, okay? This is the opposite of whatever Jim Cramer does. It's up 229% all time, all right? This portfolio is fucking insane how well it does. And it just goes with the opposite plays of whatever the fuck he says, all right? It's crazy. He's really fucking good at being bad. So, and at this point, chat, he's so bad that people just know whatever he says, they do the opposite. And it works. It actually works. It is pretty funny. Yes, he is literally one of the highest performing portfolios on this entire website of autopilot, where you just can follow whatever someone else is doing. And he's up 229% since they started doing this. Pretty good. All right. So what do we do for your stocks, chat? What do we do? Hold on. Can we go? Oh, leaving that. Let's go ahead and figure out what's going on. This is going to be some boring stuff, chat. It's oil and bonds. Resident fucking sleeper if we have that on Kick, but my God, we don't. Dude, you know what's interesting, chat? I was looking at other Kick chats. I'm curious to see. I was like, because I'm like, for my active chatters, right? I'm like, shut up, Miz. So, right? So for my active chatters, I'm like, okay, what is my active chatters compared to like the average other content creator? And right now I've been live for 17 minutes and I'm already at 265, which sounds low, but that means that, like you want like a 10% average for viewership, right? That's pretty high for an average streamer, 10%. And I was looking at other creators. Dude, like Actionman's at 4K. He's at 177. Like he's at 4,000 viewers. Or like, I don't know, like let's go. Like I saw XUC yesterday, and he had 100 viewers active. Dude, I saw Tim the Tapman today. He had 4. Now he's 11.
Fucking dino, but he keeps just putting his fucking head into me.
True. You know what? I'm gonna make it 12. Honestly, Tim. True. But yeah, we have like an average chat of 400 to 500 people actively chatting in our streams. 400 to 500. So clap some chat. You guys are pretty active. Peepo clap. Peepo clap. Good stuff. Yeah, we have 400 to 500. Good stuff. All right, so back to what we're doing. Now we're going to go down to 100 when we're talking about bonds. Now, chat, does anyone not understand what a bond is? And I know it's not James Bond, which, by the way, 007 Nightfire, James Bond was such a good game. One chat if you agree. It was so good. The intro was fucking sick.
Don't love me quietly, do it with intensity. Boy, I miss the point. Well, with everything you stray, oh, there's no love to be gained.
Listen, GoldenEye, yeah, we all know. GoldenEye, the GoldenEye beat is, what was it, the pause music? You're just not beating that. I mean, that's probably one of the greatest songs I've ever heard in my life. I don't know how the fuck they did this, but they did this. I just don't get how they did this. I never understood as a kid, and I don't understand now. Wait, the guy took 20 minutes to write this? Okay, anyway.
Let's talk about this bond market. Longer-dated bond yields are pushing closer to multi-decade highs across the globe. Our Jersey of Bloomberg Intelligence has been breaking it down.
Now, Brian, because TTS Brian, if you're out there, chat, why is it a bad thing that the U.S. bonds are dipping and people are feared of what's going on with the bond market? Like, why is that going to start problems for us when the international bonds are dipping? You know, why is that bad? Yeah, Space, I know you know the answer, bro. You're like a teacher that's like sitting in with the class. Like, you know the answer. Like, that's cheating. Yes, the debt gets more expensive.
Intelligence has been breaking it down.
It's not good. Yes, the answer is it's not good. When bonds go down, chat, it's not a good thing.
Ira, welcome and good morning. It's difficult to break down one single driver.
Can we buy physical gold? You want me to just sit with gold behind me right now while you guys just... yeah, let's just buy Pokemon cards. Why don't we?
Dominating this move. What would you pick out this morning?
Yeah, I think this morning we're on the back of Japan's pretty big move overnight, where you saw a 7 basis point sell-off in Japanese 30-year yields. The fiscal situation for, what I call the G3 plus, so Germany, UK, Japan, US, is really not particularly good. So I think that's, certainly leaning into this is that fiscal situation, but also that growth is pretty decent, right? Like, if you look globally, why are central banks raising?
What do you want to look at?
Two buys.
Claudia, thank God you're here. Yo, Claudia,
Market
okay.
risk. English, please.
Can you please explain what bonds are to my chat? But can you when you explain
bonds?
it, can you explain it in Dora the Explorer terms?
Bonds are basically grown-up IOUs. A government or company
you didn't
needs
listen to me.
cash.
I said like in Dora the Explorer terms. Oh, no, SpongeBob.
SpongeBob terms. Got it. Bikini Bottom needs money to build a new road, so Mr. Krabs buys a bond. That means he hands them cash now, and Bikini Bottom promises to pay him little payments, called interest, plus all his money back later. It is not a stock. Mr. Krabs does not own Bikini Bottom. He just lent them money. Very boring. Very reliable. Like Squidward. If Squidward wore a tie and ruined every party.
What the fuck? Wait, why would Squidward ruin... Wait, so what does Squidward have to do with the bond market? I don't understand.
Nothing. Squidward was just the boring joke, and apparently I made it wear concrete shoes. Forget him. SpongeBob wants to open a bigger Krusty Krab. He needs money. You lend SpongeBob $100. In return, SpongeBob gives you a bond, which is a fancy pinky promise. He pays you a little extra money every year, called interest, then gives your $100 back on a set date. That is it. Bond equals...
So basically, so what you could say is bonds are basically the same exact thing as a loan?
Exactly. A bond is a loan with a fancy certificate. You lend money to a company or government. They pay you interest, then return your money on a set date. That is the whole sandwich.
Okay. All right, that's all I need to know. Can you do me a favor?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you find my chat each a girlfriend?
No. I can explain bonds, not run a dating agency for a stadium full of unpaid interns. Tell them to leave the house and speak to one woman like she is a person.
That is the worst advice I've ever heard in my entire life. Fuck you. Like, that was just... Ew, dude, ew.
Raising interest rates or thinking about raising interest rates. A big part of it is that the economy is doing fine.
Do you see any corrective action on the horizon?
So chat, bonds are basically a loan. That's all it is. You are giving them a loan, saying, hey, look, I'm giving you this money, and I want you to pay me, like, for $100, I want you to pay me $8 every year, plus a little bit of interest. And then they do that.
Horizon.
But it's usually a low amount, and it's really boring.
Of course.
Right? People do not, why do people not want to do bonds, chat, and instead they go into the stock market? It's because the stock market makes a lot more money. Bonds are really boring and don't really make that much, right? But they're reliable, right? So if it's a long-term bond, it's reliable, it's safe. But the thing is, it's boring as fuck. It's low amount of money. You don't make a lot. None of you will get rich over bonds.
You might not need it. At some point, this can become self-limiting and unsustainable, and people come back into bonds because the price is attractive enough. But from your standpoint, do you think you see corrective action first?
I don't. I can certainly see a leak wider or leak higher in yields just about everywhere. For the U.S. in particular, John, one of the things that I would point out is, this is the first time basically in 2 decades where there's been real alternatives for
less risky than stocks.
I just said that. Yes, absolutely. Bonds are so much less risky than stocks. It's not even comparable. They are completely. There's so much less risk in bonds. They are very, very low risk.
Non-U.S. investors to go somewhere and find some yield, right? So if you're a Taiwanese insurance company, you can now buy Japanese government bonds at yields that are higher than the U.S. after you hedge their currency risk. So this is kind of a weird dynamic for the U.S. in that we're not necessarily the high yielder anymore, which we've benefited from in many ways.
Now, chat, do you guys understand what a yield is, right? Like, when they say yield, it's the annual rate of return that you get, right? So that's when they say yield. It's like the 30-year Treasury yield. It's the rate of return.
Over the last couple of decades, when a lot of other developed market countries had...
Yes, slow down and prepare to stop. Good job, Poggy.
Negative yields or extremely low 30-year yields.
Ira, we were just showing a board there of the global bond backdrop, and you mentioned Japan. Can we bring that board up again? Just want to bring up this number. Ira, for the new grads entering Wall Street in the coming weeks, can we bring up the Japanese 30-year and just sit on that board and just look at the yield that we're seeing? Ira, the 30-year yield in Japan, can you explain to people coming into Wall Street, coming into markets, how unusual it is, given your career and how far it goes back, to see a 4 handle on 30-year JGBs?
Now, chat, so U.S., we still have the highest yield, so that's the best. We're the POG champ, okay? 3.7 for Germany, and Japan is 4.1, right? Which I think the only time they ever see 4.1s and 4.5s is with their earthquakes. So 4.1 is actually pretty impressive for Japan. It's pretty high up.
Well, John, we're actually back to where it was at the beginning of my career, but after spending, basically 2 decades at with 2% handles in terms of 30-year bond yields in Japan. So, and the Japanese bond market, keep in mind, is the second largest bond market in the world, and because of that, it also tends to be one of the more liquid. Now, granted, the BOJ, the Bank of Japan, owns a lot of that market, but they've also been selling their bonds, right? And not reinvesting, and the Japanese government is still issuing a whole lot of long bonds, and not only 30 years, they even have 40-year debt outstanding, right? So you have the situation
40-year bonds. What the fuck?
Where when you look around globally where to invest, you're probably underweight Japan versus the rest of the developed world.
Should we invest in Japan? Listen, dude. You can, we can go Japanese. I'm just letting you know, it's like super risk over there. They're gambling addicts. I'm letting you know, every single country over there in like Korea, Japan, they're gambling addicts. It's actually why partially the stock market is down today, because their stupid fucking Kospi is down yet again. So chat, the Kospi, whenever I say that, it's not Bill Cosby, it's the stock market for Korea. And they are down yet again today, 1.55%. They are just, it's crazy how bad their stock market could just go up and down. It's wild. They're just gambling addicts. Like, it's all just gambling. It's just ridiculous. It's so stupid.
Just given where their yields have been for so long, because they've been on a track.
But the thing is, you know what's, chat, the truth? They're just ahead of us. Because that's where the market's going. It's already getting gambling. We're doing 23 hours a day soon for the fucking stock market. It's just going gambling. Casinos, this and that, like Forex, leverages, ETFs. It's all part of the plan to go gambling. It's all getting more and more riskier. But that's way more fun for us, and that could be better yields, Jack. We can get, you know what I mean? Like, we could start, you know what I'm saying? So I think what we might want to do, chat, is shift from doing just stock markets to becoming debt collectors, right? That's where we can make a lot of money. And since we have so many viewers, we can break people's legs.
I used to work for a mutual fund company where we used to not buy negative yielding debt.
Like, imagine I can say, like, I'm a gangster, right? I give out loans, yeah, but if you don't pay me back, I have people in every state that will fucking come after you. Every state that will come after you and break your fucking legs with bats. And they're like, dude, like, What are you talking about? This dude's I'm telling this dude I can't pay my rent, and he's putting a Mizkif Peepo with a bat. And I'm like, yeah, dude, like, but trust me, you don't want to see what's behind the camera, okay? And it's Axiom.
There's no more negative yielding debt. So if you stayed away from that for...
I could never be a debt collector. I could never do it. I would be, if I had to collect debt, I would feel so guilty. I would just be like, you're good. I would just be like, yo, you're fine. Especially if it's an Asian girl. I'd be like, oh, okay, I'll pay it for you. Don't worry about it. Like, I would feel so bad collecting debt. I couldn't do it. It's partially why I know I could never be a Section 8 landlord. I would feel just way too bad, or just I would feel guilty.
Better part of 10 years. You're now, have to add some of that into your portfolio, which means that you're not going to be buying the U.S. You might not be buying the UK.
All right, so I know that sounded really boring, chat, and it was. Like, bonds and oil are two really boring things, but it's important you guys know and understand. Wait, Apple AirPods leaked? So they're...
Guys,
what's with everything getting leaked? Apple AirPods Ultra just leaked in their own video.
This is crazy news.
Oh, wow, what?
We have the AirPods Pro, and it now looks like Apple are going to make AirPods Ultra, the Ultra AirPods out there, also alongside the likes of the AirPods Max range as well. But these are going to be supposedly the best AirPods that Apple have ever made. And it is definitely confirmed now that Apple have camera-equipped AirPods coming for their new AirPods Ultra. And it's hilarious because in the latest version, macOS Tahoe 26.7 in their release candidate, this is crazy that they've actually left this video inside. Have a listen to this.
With visual intelligence, your world becomes savable. See something you like? Just ask me to save it for later.
Hold on. Huh? Wait.
See something you like? Just ask me to save it for later.
Okay, so you say you say whatever book that is and save it for later. Okay, I mean, that's sure.
And this here completely confirms that now we will have AirPods with cameras in them, and they'll be using a visual intelligence. So you'll be able to ask basically your AirPods what's going on around you, or say the book that you're looking at or whatever, and you can ask questions about it or store it in your notes and things like this.
Oh my God, I hate that. Wait a minute. The AirPods are gonna have cameras inside your AirPods now? I hate that. I hate that so much. What the fuck? I hate that. That is so creepy. Holy shit, that's so fucked. I thought he was just saying to the book, could, should, might, don't. Can you look up this book? It's called From Nick Fosty. Yo, are we gonna be able to start streaming from our AirPods?
Intelligence. So you'll be able to ask basically your AirPods what's going on around you, or say the book that you're looking at or whatever, and you can ask questions about it or store it in your notes and things like this. And today I want to tell you all the details about them. But
I will never trust anyone with AirPods anymore.
Yo, dude, AirPods are about to get freaky, dude. Freaky. You're gonna see people doing dude, I'm telling you, chat, we're about to enter an age of insane content for us, though. There's gonna be so many leaks of everything. Dude, you can't trust anyone anymore. Someone goes into a meeting now for GTA 6 with AirPods on, like a normal day, because you know what? That's a normal thing to do. Now you have to look at them weird. For anything you do, for any meetings or events, they have AirPods on, you have to question if they're listening to you or watching you. And here's the thing. Everyone can spy on me. I don't have anything to hide. I literally don't care. So it's fine, right? I don't mind. But this is going to be big for like government shit. This is going to be really big for like private information and meetings.
The future iPod Inside Eye coming soon.
Dude, this is going to be crazy good content for us. We're going to have so many leaks of everything that the world is just going to be leaked. Everything leaked, lol W. The world's going to be leaked, lol W. Holy crap. Holy crap. Yo, chat, everything we do is about to be recorded. There's no privacy.
There are leaks that Apple TV box also might get a camera for FaceTime, etc.
Damn, dude. Another thing to worry about? I mean, if you have nothing to hide, why do you worry about it, right? I have nothing to hide. So I have nothing to worry about. But like, dude, this is crazy. This is really bad. Sure, I don't have anything to hide. Like, my dick is 5.5 inches. I have admitted that. It's not that big. What else? What else? I say the F word all the time, off stream. Like,
You will ban it ASAP. Secret recording stuff is highly regulated here. And they blame China for taking your info.
Well, see, that's the thing is people always, the big complaint of the early, like 2010 era was what? Dude, you just don't take my info. Stop taking my stuff. Don't take my information. Don't, I don't want people to know my name. That's so irrelevant. Our generation does not care about companies knowing our names, right? Or any of that shit. Because most of the time we just put some stupid random name and we were born in 1927 when we were signing up for an account. The thing is, that's the problem. Or nowadays we use Google, right? We just use our Gmails. The problem is, I mean, dude, we can be recorded by everything. That's crazy. That's crazy. You know what this is gonna be really bad for? Oh my god, dude. You know, I'm just thinking about the dark shit, dude. This is gonna be bad for like kids. Like, dude, creeps can be so creepy with this shit. Like, they can go to playgrounds and stuff and just sit there with their AirPods and shit, or like go to places that they're not supposed to be at and just have their AirPods on and be weird as fuck. Dude, they might have to ban this shit from like Disney World, right? Like, they might have to ban this shit from schools, AirPods, right? Spy cams have been around. There's such a difference between you fucking having spy cameras or whatever the hell you're trying to say and your AirPods, man, that everyone uses. Not everyone has spy cameras in their AirPods. Now they do.
Okay, let's do a quick history lesson where we are with AirPods right now. So we're talking 10 years ago since the release of the original AirPods. And since that time, we've had the introduction of the AirPods 2. Then we had the AirPods Pro, then AirPods Max. Then we've had newer generations AirPods. Well, the cool thing is, like I just said, with the AirPods original, it has been 10 years since they came out. So this is the anniversary year to actually bring out some, or for example, you're in the library. Obviously, no, they could be used for. One is that they can act. Now, the new AirPods Ultra are going to be quite unique in especially its design way and the features that are going to be added with it. What we've been hearing about is these leaks that you can see right here, and that is we're going to get cameras added onto the side of each bud, as it were, of each of the AirPods. Now, these cameras, this is where things get a little bit unknown exactly what they're going to be used for. There is speculation of two different things what they could be used for. One is that they can actually help out in the environment that you are in. So for example, if you are on a train, for example, and you don't want to disturb the person next to you, it could detect that you are on a train, but also might turn up the volume just a little bit because of the noise of the train in the background. Or for example, you're in a library of a...
You're gonna see some fucking creeps on the plane that are on a plane, on a train, and you know what they're gonna do? They're gonna drop their book by accident next to a girl who has a skirt on, and while they're bending over, they're gonna go, "Hey Siri, take a picture." That's what you're gonna see. You're not gonna see people being like, "Hey, what? Am I on a train right now?" Or like, "Where am I? Am I going to Hogwarts?" No, they're gonna throw their book on the ground, look over, go, "Hey Siri, take a picture." Like, that's what they're gonna do. I know, like, the world works. What the fuck is this guy saying?
That was oddly specific.
See, no one wants to hear your AirPods in the library, so it could detect that you're in the library and to keep the noise a bit more minimal. But if you're in a loud environment somewhere, say you're on a construction yard or something.
Look at this AI crap. Look at this AI crap. Oh, this construction guy in the background going like this.
More minimal. But if you're in a loud environment somewhere, say you're on a construction yard.
Yeah, let's wear this fucking banana suit in the middle of a construction yard.
Something like this, then obviously it could detect that you're there and turn up the volume really loud to help you out. So this is one idea what these cameras could actually be used for.
So basically, chat, you can tune this thing so that your wife, when she's screaming at you, it just completely makes her mute.
Second idea,
because they were trying to basically say there is that if your wife is as loud as a jackhammer and you want to have her mute, it'll know your surroundings and just have her shut up. This actually could be really good for Apple.
These cameras could be used for is to be actually used with the likes of, say, Apple Intelligence and also with Siri. It could actually be that these are ultra wide kind of cameras cameras, very similar to like what you get like on a Ring doorbell, where you get ultra view, as it were, really ultra wide. And what would happen with this is that you could actually ask Siri to take a snapshot of where you are, and then obviously it could tell you more information about something what you're looking at or the surroundings that you're in right now. This is another option what these could actually be used for. So it's going to be quite interesting what these are going to actually do. What I personally do not think what these cameras are going to be for are for actual mainstream recording. I do not think they're going to be for that if you're going for a run or a jog or something like this, that you just turn them on and it just starts recording you. I personally do not believe that's what they're going to be for. I think something like Apple glasses are going to be better for that. But, you know, especially have two cameras, you can see what I mean. It's unlikely.
Dude, you're going to have these be in your ears soon, chat, and then you're going to have your, like, an Apple glasses or something, and then you're going to have basically, that's how they're going to have start, like, the beginning of, like, an augmented reality. I'm telling you, I think GTA 6 is the final game that we'll ever see that's like not a normal game, or like a normal game for a desktop. I really do think that's the case. But anyway, let's get to the stocks, chat, because it's the end of the day. All right, you guys are at $993,000. Let's focus the fuck up. Do you guys want to buy anything from here? Bloom Energy is down 11%. Riot is down 5%. Okay, the action is happening right now on the stocks.
The battery life on these are gonna be shit.
I'm sure they've already equated that. The options, chat, are fucked. It is done. It is fucked. We're going to hold on to these things and hope they go up, but goddamn, they're down 90% today. It's bad. All right? So what do you guys want to do? Do you want to do anything? Google is the only thing that's holding you up, and actually, Netflix is up 3% today, despite the fact that the entire market is down, because people are starting to realize that GTA 6 is going to get leaked on Netflix, and they're going to have it playing, because by the way we saw GTA 6, it probably could play there pretty fucking well. All right, so what do you guys want to do? Now let's go ahead and show you what happened. Your stocks that are losing you the most today, it's very simple, chat. It's AMD and MU. AMD and MU, chips got hit really hard. Semiconductors got really hard hit. Now, why is that the case? It's the Korean stock market. It's the international bonds, and bonds are getting fucked. But it's also Donald Trump is saying things like this, okay? President Trump posts an image claiming that the Strait of Hormuz is now in U.S. territory. I swear, dude, Trump is just doing this shit because he sees the stock market going down and he's scared. Because I noticed that whenever it was going up, he wasn't saying a word. And now all of a sudden he's drawing these fucking Mr. Beast style circles for thumbnails, and he's saying that, oh, we own this shit. We don't own it. Don't believe anything this guy says. This is what you pay $100,000 a month for. It's so fucking stupid, okay? Then he also said that there are no talks or conversations going on with the schedule with Iran. There are no talks or conversations going on or scheduled with the Islamic Republic of Iran. Then how do we own the strait? The naval blockade remains in full force in effect. The Hormuz Strait is open and operating. All water mines have been removed or detonated. Thank you for your attention to this matter, President Donald J. Trump. No one believes a word he's saying. No one believes anything that's going on. And it's all crap, all right? So the question is, what do we do? Now, you guys were at a low today of 991,000. A little bit is going up, which is AMD. It's definitely having a little bit of a rise, but we need to act fast. What do you guys want? Do you guys want to do anything? You're going to want to do something. This is the day where you want to buy, chat. It's a dip. You have 100K. You have 100K. This is what you have. You want to use your tickets. Solutions. Can we get this thing going? We don't need to have buy / sell anything. We know we're gonna buy. We don't need to do that. Uber. I mean, Uber could be a play. Uber definitely could be a play. Uber's great. A lot of people are talking about how that thing we watched yesterday with Zipline. That Zipline is going to be actually a huge fucking company. They're private though. But Zipline's going to be huge because they are now going to start doing the meals with Google. So you're going to start seeing these zip lines around in your area, chat, in the next coming months or years, where they're going to be everywhere. Or you're going to see random women coming in like Spider-Man to give you fucking, habaneros at 4 in the morning. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Go ahead and chat, pick your stocks. And by the way, use TTS, chat, if you want to tell me what you think is the best stock to get, or any stock, okay? Go ahead. Feel free. I'm totally okay with that. Just tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Solutions, can we make it for TTS? Is it possible to have it that we can have people use TTS if they have a certain amount of watch time or something, so they're not just newbies? Can Mizkif Global buy
Let's trim
bombs?
what's up and all in on MU. Dollar A's had their financial results today. Why are we ignoring NVDA?
Why are we ignoring NVDA? You know, we're not, but I'm going to show you something that's actually pretty
VIP
fucking
gives
interesting.
TTS.
I'm gonna show you something pretty interesting.
Let's buy brothers. Brian said it will go on another run. Listen to Brian. Chat consider trimming 50k in VOO to have more cash on hand. Holding 20% in VOO isn't good to maximize profits.
This company Etched is actually, I think, the future. So they've already started releasing and putting out their fucking first.
You look very handsome today too.
Thank you.
Wow.
They already started putting out their racks. So this is a competitor for Nvidia, chat, that was started by 2 Harvard students at the age of 24, and they already started putting out to Jane Street, which, if you guys don't know, is a financial firm that is backing them, and they have a $21 billion valuation. They are backing them, and they are going to be shipping, and they already shipped their first rack to Jane Street. That's not going to fit. All right. Well, I mean, so yeah, they've already started this. It's pretty crazy stuff. So just letting you know, like, it seems like there could be some competition for a video like that. Yeah, that was definitely AI. I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of embarrassing. All right. So what do you guys think, chat? We need to see this. The Moo and SanDisk. AMD is a little bit. We have NBIS. NBIS is my play, but yeah, you guys can get into it.
Hey, Matt. What do you want to look at?
Claudia, we need your help here, okay? We've got a little bit of time. We need to act now. What do you think we should do with our portfolio? The portfolio is down to $993,000. We're looking to buy. What are you thinking?
Pulling your book.
Can you ask?
Do not buy blind just because the screen feels dramatic. Tell me what you want to add to, and I'll give you the cleanest move.
We're thinking possibly Moo. What do you think? Can you show me the supports and resistances on the Moo right now, and what do you think? By the way, chat, this is new tech. Okay, so can
it's on screen.
Okay, so this is what you're saying?
It's Micron? Exactly. Micron is around 937 after a nasty 7% drop. The immediate support is 910. If that breaks, the next serious line is roughly 855.
Then why do you have the floor as 991?
You caught a bad label on the screen. 991 is the chart's nearby technical level, not the actual floor I'd trade against here. The more relevant floor is around 910, where the big options positioning may support dips. Below that, 855 is the line that says this pullback is becoming a real problem.
Okay, so what stock do you think we should go into today, if you were going to say one?
I'm screening for one clean setup, not buying a 7% dip just because it is screaming on the monitor. One name, SSD. It is holding above its 50-day trend and sitting right on support near 195. That is the cleanest risk line of the group. If it loses that area, you cut it. No heroic averaging down like a raccoon guarding a vending machine receipt.
What the fuck did you just say, you little shit? A raccoon guarding a vending machine receipt? What the fuck? Is she good? Are you taking shroom? Okay, she hung up. She hung up. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck was that? All right, so chat, you guys are thinking the Moo potentially. Now, the Moo is down 7% today. She said, which I think is true, the resistance or support there is around the 910 area. So we are looking around 910, and then if it falls from there, it could be pretty fucking bad. You guys did buy basically right there as well. So it did bounce when it hit around 920 today. Could buy, you could buy more Moo. You could buy more Moo if you want to. You guys do have $49,000. You only have $49,000 in Moo. It's not like you're like fully advanced in Moo. But I will say for your semiconductors, you guys are close to your top. You can't invest much more. You only can invest $30,000. I'm tired of Moo. Okay, let's vote. Let's vote. Let's vote. Let's see what people say. Chat, it's down 7% today. You're still up on Moo, by the way. You're still up. Someone said, let's get Starlink, which means you would say SpaceX. SpaceX is down today, despite the fact that it had a huge rally, right? And keep in mind, chat, yes, these stocks are taking a dip today. Please. But You want me to buy you want me to buy bros again? So Brian is currently telling everyone to buy bros. Bros, chat, if you don't know, is Dutch Bros. They are a company that sells coffee, and that's it. They sell coffee, and they are a company that is trying to grow out their coffee business in the areas of, I think they're in Texas, and now they're going to look at Miami and other places, and they're trying to grow.
Wonderful, happy Tuesday to y'all.
Yep, all right, seems like a pretty good guy. I've never had Dutch Bros before. I have not either, but apparently Brian thinks they're a good buy here. They're actually dropped 26%, despite having good earnings consistently. They're down 26%. Is that like a sector-wide drop, or is that just a... No, not at all. Wow, it just seems like it's just Dutch Bros got fucked, okay? Wow, they got fucked. I don't care for coffee. I don't either. What is SanDisk? Let's check it out. SanDisk stock. Now here's the thing, chat.
Coffee.
A lot of the memory plays I've had really good news this past week. So them being down is pretty surprising. But it's because the world news is happening, but they've also had an insane run. I mean, they're up 75% since that huge dip, SanDisk. So a 9% day makes perfect sense.
What happened to AMD?
AMD, same shit, bro. They all follow the same trend. You're gonna realize that all semiconductors and chip stocks are gonna follow the same trend. That's why, like, when you buy into different ones, does it really make much of a difference when they all follow the same trend? Not really. Okay, let's go first through all of them. Move. Do you guys want to buy or sell? Let's go ahead and put that as a poll. Buy or sell, move. Okay, so you guys say yes. How much do you guys want to buy in? Let's do 10K, 25K, 50K. Or no, 10K, 20K, 30K. And then 50K. Yeah, 10, 20, 30, 50. It's having a little bit of support here from 929 to 937, so it's a little bit up. But your other things that are getting fucked is your nuclear is getting fucked. Your AMD and Moo and Riot are fucked. I mean, like, your Riot is fucked. Your BE is getting fucked hard. Energy is getting fucked. Go ahead and vote, chat. Go ahead and vote. Can you also set buy limit orders to fill? Don't the next trading session. We could space, we could, but that might be kind of complicated with the tickets. I don't know, that might be kind of hard. That'd be easier when we're not chaotically trying to figure out what the fuck to do. $50, jeez! Uh-oh, chat. We could be going into another Google Gangle. This could be a little Google Gobble. 50 grand. This could.
Well. We are back to the.
We're back into what we were doing, chat. Just buying the fucking chip stocks and buying the Moo. You just going back to your ex. You're going back to your ex. Just hey, listen. Just don't message her that many times, okay? What's the limit we have on semiconductors? This is it. If you buy into this, you can't buy anymore. It's done.
Your video reminded everybody.
Yeah, I like how I just put out a YouTube video basically going over why we didn't do this, and then now you're doing this again. Okay, so put in your tickets, chat, if you guys want the move. Go ahead. Put in your tickets. $50,000. Okay, so you're going to have $60,000 liquid. Just letting you know, that's not a lot. You are now down to very little amount, but you're buying into the Moo when it's at a low. Solutions. Can we have this move up a little bit? I don't know why this... Yeah, there we go. You're quick on your feet. $43,000 tickets. Holy shit. We have people going all in. This is where the plays can be made, Chad, if it can go up. This is where the plays can be made. All right, I put in a buy order. Let's see if it gets hit. End of day, it's looking pretty strong. It's looking pretty strong here. I'm trying to get in.
I got to go back with my ex, the MU.
I'm trying to get okay, we're in. We bought in. We bought into a really high green candle right here, right? So go ahead and put your tickets in, chat. You still can put your tickets in, don't worry. 60,000 tickets. Holy shit. Some of you guys have been sitting on your tickets like crazy. Holy fuck. 60K tickets. Oh my God. Holy shit. By the way, chat, if you want to get more tickets, you have to obviously download the extension. I'm sure all of you guys know. The extension is the way you make tickets.
Told you I'm saving for Lamau.
Holy fuck.
64K.
That's 64,000 tickets. What the fuck? What the fuck? I pray, chat. We pray. We pray. We pray. We pray.
This must be the highest so far.
This is the highest so far, 65,000. But this is where millionaires are made. You invest when it's low. This is where the millionaires are made, is when you invest in low. Okay, so you guys currently have $65,000 liquid. Now, is there anything that you want to sell today? Is there anything that you want to sell? You guys, I'll show you guys your market values. Right now you have the VOO is $200,000, your MOO is 96, your AMD is 96, your Google is 68. Now you can't buy any more AMD. I will not let you, because that is a semiconductor and we are not doing that again. So we are done. So you can buy into Google, Netflix, Riot, whatever, or do you want to sell anything? You guys do not have a lot of cash. You don't. You're at $63,000 and that's not a lot. Not a lot. Sell now, trim Netflix. You could do whatever you want. You could do whatever you want. Let me ask Claudia. I'll see what she has to say.
Hey, Matt. What do you want to look at?
Hey, sweet cheeks. How you doing? All right, so Claudia, listen, we have a question as a community. What do you think that we should sell or trim here, if anything, out of our stocks? Come on.
Pulling the book up. We trim winners into strength. Not the red stuff, because it made you nervous. Sweet Cheek survives. I'd trim Netflix first, modestly. It's the cleanest winner today, up 2.7%, and it's above both key trend lines. Take some profit, not the whole position. Then I'd leave VOO, Costco, Apple, Amazon, Take-Two, and ServiceNow alone. They're behaving. I would not panic sell advanced micro devices. Google, Riot, Caterpillar, Micron, or Bloom Energy into this red tape. Those are the wounded ones. Selling them now turns a rough session into a permanent little museum of bad timing. If you want one clean action, shave Netflix. The rest needs patience, not a chainsaw.
Sell 50K of Moo. That guy, Steve. I don't think you're going to be winning that rally, okay, or winning that fight. Okay, so chat. What do you guys think? I agree with Claudia. Let's go ahead and do that as a vote. Do we sell some Netflix? Do we trim some Netflix here? Netflix is up 2.6% on the day, chat. It is up. It's one of your only positions that is actually up today. And so is Apple, actually, despite the fact that the market's completely down. Apple is also up as well. What do you guys think?
We need to trim VOO. 50K for another red day buy.
Can't we hold to the 27th? You absolutely can. You absolutely can. But I will say this, you do not have a lot of cash. You have $63,000. That is not a lot of money. You have not a lot of money on right now. And she's saying what she said, chat, the lines, by the way, it's above these lines, which is a good thing, right? But if it goes below these lines, that's when it can get really scary, right? So always just think that if it's above these lines, it's good, right? And people will a lot of times look at these lines for like support, because that's what a lot of people do. But if it goes below these lines, it's a bad thing. That's not good. You don't want it below these lines because it's scary.
Chat, okay? We need to take 100K from the VOO.
So right now it's above these lines. So that's why she's saying it's a good sell. And also, I'm sure she knows a lot of other things because she's a supercomputer genius. Okay. Okay, chat. How much are we trimming up Netflix?
We wait for GTA Day before selling Netflix.
You can. I mean, you don't know. The thing is, dude, we don't know anything. Okay, we don't. We it's all hypothesis and guessing at this point. That's what it is. We don't know. It's, as you would say, gambling. But you guys are currently
please sell VOO.
You guys are currently profitable on a Netflix. How much do you guys want to sell of Netflix? So do 1, 2, 3, or 4. Do you want to do 10K, a quick trim, or are you looking to sell the whole thing? What do you guys want to do? It's seeming it's between 10K and 50. Really? You don't believe in my theory? Like, I'm seeing it right now, my 4 hours of schizo theories of talking about how I think that Netflix is going to be having GTA, and it's just vaporwave.
50K would mean the whole thing, right?
Yes. If you sell 50K, I'm selling the entire thing. You're selling everything. You guys want to sell everything of Netflix? You guys really just don't want it there? You don't believe in it?
No.
Mizkif's gonna cry? Yeah. It's a close vote. I mean, it's very close. It's up to you. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a revote, and I'm not gonna say a single word.
Netflix has 10 days to show GTA trailer before anyone else. That is all, chat. Trailer is exciting, but is it stock voting?
Who said it's just a trailer? Like, I don't. It's gonna be GTA 6 is gonna get launched on Netflix on August 27th. They're getting early access only. Everyone gets early access.
TRS.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna meet in the middle.
Trust in our Lord and Savior Mizkif.
And we're gonna sell 20,000. Come on, hit you, bitch. Come on. Come on. I put a limit order in. All right, you're in. You sold. Which means yet again, chat, by the way, we have non-stop one. Don't look at that red graph. We have literally only ever had profitable sales. We have not had a single loss ever in our entire time. Yet again, Mizkif Global has had no losses, and we are like, what, 8-0? 7-0. We have not had a single time where we've sold something for a loss.
Reddit was a loss.
No, it wasn't. No, Reddit was not a loss. Reddit was profitable. We were profitable. The trailing stop hit. We were profitable. You've been profitable. You're 7-0. We lost the Reddit a lot. No, you did not. We sold it when it's high. Right?
On the website it is a loss. I'm down 40.
Damn it. Solutions. Let's pull a Donald Trump and make sure that goes away, okay? Do something about it. Fix that. Oh, fuck, I didn't know that. Ms. How's your portfolio? Let's not talk about me today, okay? Let's focus on you. Listen, I love NBIS. I'm gonna type it in here because I don't even want to look. I love this company, and I will buy more if it goes down. Let's just say that. But it's down 7%, and I hate my life. I bought more last night. I bought it right here, okay? I'm willing to admit it. Like, I'm willing to admit when I have losses. I'm not like one of those people that tries to pretend they're gurus and uwus. I've definitely lost a lot of money on NBIS today, but I'm not gonna look because I believe in fucking neoclouds and I love neoclouds. I love this company so much. Okay, so Mizkif buying high, brother. I'm up $1.2 million in the past 2 weeks. Would you shut the fuck up? All right, Trim Vu. Okay, so you guys have. $83,000 cash now.
The whole position of Rocket Lab needs to go, chat. We'll have more buying opportunities.
Is there anything else you guys want to sell? Do you guys want to sell anything else? You have $66,000 in cash. You do not have a lot of cash. You have actually $83,000. I lied. Mons, we could put up a poll. I'm seeing... How about a buy? Well, we have to buy for... We'd have to sell a little bit and then buy. I mean, unless you want to go all in, right? We could go all in. I mean, it's your portfolio. I just try to help. Sell Apple until people hear about the cameras? Nah, I don't think that's going to hurt Apple at all. I doubt it. I don't think people are going to be like, dude, I'm so against these cameras. Holy crap. I think people are going to buy the fuck out of that. I'm going to buy it. I mean, like, you know what I mean? I'm going to start taking some trains myself. Sell Costco, buy Uber. I'm not, by the way, I'm reading chat when I say that. I'm not telling you what to do. That's just me reading chat. I have no skin in the game. Okay, what do you guys want to sell? What do you want to sell, chap? Go ahead, tell me. Ooh, this guy has the GOAT badge. If you want to know where you're profitable in your stocks today, and so far, chat, you're still profitable in Take-Two, Costco, Netflix, Apple, VOO, and also Rocket Lab. The VOO is down 0.69%, by the way. It's down a lot. And it looks like at the end of the day, it's taking a dump again. So it's not really... if you sell the VOO, you're selling it into a big loss. There's no... Okay, Costco? A lot of people are saying Costco. Okay, how much do you want to trim Costco? Do you want to do... Let's do 10...
We have 200k in the VOO. We need more cash on hand.
Chat, how much Costco do you want to trim? You could just put like 10, 20, 30, or all. Just do that. It's way easier. You guys are profitable in Costco. You're up $600. So that's what, like 2 trips? Yeah, it does seem like, just letting you guys know, chat, by you selling Costco.
When I click on the website, it doesn't register the vote.
I don't know what to tell you, man. I can't. What do you want me to stop? Just add solutions whenever. If you ever have a problem, just go in my Discord and say something. It's way easier. Just letting you know. What you're doing right now is you are selling Costco. And by you selling Costco, you now are basically only in tech, energy, and chips. I'm letting you know you are basically selling one of the only plays you have that are diversification besides the
That is
VOO.
correct.
You are almost all in on the popular stocks, which it can play. It can play really well, right? That's the reason why they're popular. They're big. But I'm just letting you understand and know there's not a lot of diversity here now. Now it's really just the big guys, right? It's tech, it's neoclouds, it's all that stuff. And these kind of companies, chat, they can go up a lot. They're growth stocks, but they can also go down dramatically. But that's totally up to you. It's totally up to you what you want to do. You guys are saying
Chat is just selling Costco for the money invested in it.
Yes, they are selling Costco because they need more money because they're liquid. They're $83,000 in cash. All right, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna sell Costco, like you guys said. All right, I'm gonna sell it right here. All right.
If you allowed it, chat would be 100% in semis again, Lamau.
And there you go, chat. That may be a yay for some of you. Okay, so Costco is not yet again another profit from Mizkif. I didn't mean to call myself a prophet, but it's pretty damn close at this point, right? So we are, 8-1 with Reddit, but that's okay. So you guys are selling your stocks now. Now you guys have $134,000 cash. You have $63,000 you can use today. Is there anything that you want to buy? Okay. Do you want to buy anything more? Let's go to put a vote for buying something. Do you want to buy more of anything or buy something? Look at something else. There's Uber is a good buy in my opinion. I think Uber's a great buy, chat. Uber's nice. I can ask Claudia what she thinks.
Nebius?
You could get into NeoClouds. NBIS is currently right now on sale. It's $248. It's on sale. It's down 7% today, despite the fact that yesterday there was a hearing for it.
Hey, Matt, what do you want to look at?
Hey, Claudia, I have a question. What do you think about, what are the supports and resistances for Uber, for the stock? What do you think?
Can we buy MNST?
Uber's first support is around 74.42. If that cracks, the real floor is near 69.57. Resistance is 76.30. It is still above both its 20-day and 50-day averages, so the chart is not broken. But it has slid almost 4% over 5 sessions, so I would not chase it under that ceiling like a pigeon at a closed bakery. Hold 74, then 76.30 is the breakout test.
Okay, so like, are you saying buy or sell? What the fuck are you saying?
Neither. Hold it. Buy only if it stays above 74.42 and reclaims 76.30. Sell only if it breaks 74.42 with conviction. It is a wait for proof chart, not a button mashing chart.
Okay, all right, that's great. What about NBIS? What do you think of NBIS, the NeoCloud company?
NBIS is a hold, not a fresh buy at 248. It ran 46% in 5 sessions, and today it is down 7.6%. That is a stock catching its breath after sprinting through a revolving door. Your average is 244, so you are barely green. I would protect 228.59 as the near support. Below that, 212 is the line where the trade gets ugly. Upside resistance is 255, then 278.84. No adding here. Let it prove it can hold first.
You're cute.
That cube looks fine. Your browser tab situation looks like a municipal landfill with Wi-Fi.
Ms. THC, it's healthcare, it's diversified. It's a good stock.
By the way, chat, if you guys don't know, on the extension, I did just have another short just went out. So if you guys want to know, you can go and check out my new short and download the extension so you get more tickets. Just letting you know and understand how this works. Okay, so what were we saying? Apple, Netflix, Take-Two. We trimmed Netflix. You guys have $63,000 in buying power. Okay, so they're saying NBIS, which is true, by the way. I kind of basically know where the supports and resistance are. The resistance on NBIS is simple. It's 255. There is a huge resistance here, chat. It's been happening a lot. It's been happening in the 250 range. But if it goes up, this stock I really do believe is a $1,000 stock. I truly do believe it. But the question is when and how long, right? So it could be a long, long time. Maverick, would you just shut the fuck up? Okay, like, Maverick, just shut up. Shut up. Just shut up. Just shut up, okay? Shut up. Shut up. All right. Do you guys want to get involved in any of your other places that you're in right now? Like, right? Like, so we're looking at Rocket Lab. Are you guys, like, interested in buying more? It's down 4%. Right? Or do you want to buy more? Or do you want to buy anything of anything else that's here? AMD, you can't buy more of that. I told you, so no. Google's down, but it's down 0.11. Google's actually having one of the not a bad day compared to everyone else.
Double down on Mew.
Uber? I mean, look, dude, Uber could be a good play, but she did say that's not the time.
Can we look at TJX? Earnings tomorrow.
Listen, dude, we are not good with these fucking earnings play, man. I think we do not stick with TJ Maxx, bro. I don't trust. We're not good with earnings. It's not our thing. Uber, we could look at Uber. I mean, the support is a little bit lower, she said, which she's a supercomputer. She said it's around 68 or this area, so you might want to wait. But Uber's also, doing really well, and it's had way higher highs. I mean, it's been at $100. Now it's at 74.
What about looking at MNST?
Monster Beverage is still going up. Are you fucking kidding me? Well, I mean, look at this. It also can drop pretty hard, but it's still going up.
Look at Riot price right now.
So here's the thing. Monster Energy is up, right? It's doing really well, but Are you wanting to buy this because you saw on Twitter that its all-time average is so high that it beats out almost any other stock in the world? Or do you want to buy this because you actually think that the company itself is going to do well? You know? Like, what is your conviction on that? What is your reasoning?
I think it's still growing in the EU.
I believe in the product. Chat, do you guys still drink Monsters? What energy drink do you guys drink? I drink Celsius. Celsius.
Have
Water.
you seen all the crypto coverage last 2 days? Maybe MicroStrategy soon?
White Monster every single day. Yeah, I feel like for some people, they're like such diehard Monster fans, they just will never do anything else. It's like a cult. It actually feels like a cult sometimes. We're not buying GLD, bro. I don't think that's really our thing. I don't think us buying gold is it. Maybe it is. I don't know. Do you guys want to buy gold? Nebius Vineyard approval for 600,000 square foot data center expand to tied to multi-billion 5-year Microsoft contract boosted planned AI capacity. Yes, I know, bro. I know more than anyone that Nebius is fucking insane and they're the best company in the world and I fucking love them. Okay, and it's not just me. It's half of people. Like everyone knows that they're so good at what they do. It's crazy. So this is the new news for Nebius, by the way, chat. The NeoCloud company that they clears key hurdle for 17.4 billion Microsoft deal as Vineyard approval data center expansion, and also phase 2 adds approximately 600,000 square feet, which is pretty big. That's about the size of the OTK mansion. Phase 1 of the New Jersey facility is already under construction. They had an approval last night. Chat, I actually stayed up and watched it. It went to like 6-1, so it's approved now, which is great for the company. And their shares went up 2% in last night because of it. And again, this is also a company that NVIDIA owns 9%. A lot of people are very deep in this company because the managers are great. The company's portfolio is great. They have a lot of opportunity, and NeoClouds are people are saying is the future, and Nebius is the leader of it. They're the kings, right? But the thing is with Nebius is if it falls from here, and I will say this as someone that owns almost $1 million worth of Nebius, if it falls from this 240 area, its next support is like 220. It can fall pretty fucking hard. But if it gets through this area of 250, it could be pretty good. So here's what we could do. We can potentially buy Nebius, right? NBIS, we could buy this thing. And maybe we put a stop loss on it real quick. Like we could do something like that, right? It's up to you. Or we can go ahead and buy something like Bros because Brian said so. Sometimes the best thing you can do is you can have one of your bros give you a bro take.
Let's take 10 seconds and manifest we are a good investor, Prej.
You're right. Before we start.
I am a successful trader. I am an intelligent trader. I have great trading psychology. I believe in myself. I am a trading genius. I am a master of trading. I deserve to make a lot of money. I know the rules to make money and follow the rules to make money.
No
I am
emotions.
focused on how I can make millions in the stock market.
You're right. You were right. Okay. What are you guys thinking? Ulta. Ulta. U-L-T-A. So, Chad, if you guys don't know what Ulta is, if you never had a girlfriend, Ulta is a beauty company. They are very famous for their beauty stuff. It's all women use Ulta, basically. And they are everywhere. They're all over the world. They're all over the nation. I believe they're growing in every single country that is known to man. Fuck that place. I know it is basically the area that SpongeBob and Patrick tried to go through with the Flying Dutchman, but it is a very good company and they have very good earnings because they kill raccoons and animals for their perfume. So, very good company. Their earnings are great. They have been beating earnings constantly throughout their time. I don't know when their next earnings are, but I just know this company has done very well over the last 5 or 6 years. I'm lying. I just know that they've done really well since 2010, right? I'm a genius. Look at me. Women are everywhere. Women are everywhere. So, like, let's look this up. Are women popular? Let's just see if that's a true. Women comprise roughly half of the global population. So, they're pretty well known what women are. Pretty well known. Peter Lynch always said that his best investments came from his wife and kids. That is very sweet. I will say, chat, if you're looking to have an investment, a child is not it. Do not have a child if you want to make good money. It's a waste of revenue, and you can be using that in the stock market. So we can look at other companies or other things, but right now, chat, your stocks are down pretty hard. You are down on your AMD, right? But it's having a little bit of a heyday. Now, do you guys want to buy anything in your portfolio? Do you want to buy anything that's here? Do you want to get back in something? Do you want to add more of something? Now, it can't be AMD. It can't be anything like that. You want NBIS. You guys want to join me on my NBIS journey? I mean, I'm down to have another friend in this, right? Look at earnings on AXTI Photonics. I do know a lot of people. I see this all the time. People talking about AXTI, the photonics company. I see this a lot. It is a very small company, though. So its $5 billion market cap is super, super low. So, chat, if you don't know what photonics are, honestly, I forget either. I'm pretty sure it's like glass. It's not glass. It's using something else with. But again, the problem is this is semiconductors and shit. This is more of the same ordeal that we basically have with the same kind of companies, right? And the whole point in that we want to do is not be just in these companies. Hooked on photonics. I really just think we should not, right? It's lasers and lights. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of, Tomorrowland. Okay, so no on buying anything that we currently own. Nothing. No. Right? No. You guys have to vote, by the way. 1 or 2. I don't know how to use TTS. I just used 10K and I didn't hear it. Solutions, can you fix that? You have almost 400 active chatters. Yeah, you know what's crazy? Go look at everyone else on this website, and everyone almost has less chatters than I do. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Okay, so let's ask a question. Do you guys want to join me on my NBIS journey? I'm letting you know it could be a rough one. I'm willing to go lower for that company every day, but it's a NeoCloud company, and it is something that I really do love, and a lot of people love. Their earnings are fantastic. They are a company that is just growing exponentially. And I do think that they are the future. We could be brothers here. We could be brothers. But it's also a stock that has had a crazy run. No one will say that NBIS is a bad company. Nobody. Not even Michael Burry will say it's a bad company. He will not say that. It is a good company. It has good logistics, and it makes sense it will grow. The thing is, though, the people, what they believe is, it's the same problem you have with a lot of companies you guys are in. They sound great, but their future is what you're waiting for. And how long is that future going to take? Right? It's like Rocket Lab. Like we saw all yesterday when we were going through Rocket Lab. They're great, and they're building things, but it's for the space. It's for future. We don't know when we'll see a return on our investment, right? And that's the thing with Nebius. They're building so much and spending so much, right? I'm going to draw it like this.
ASML could also be a good buy.
They're spending so much money, right, that their little profit that they have, this is their profit and this is their spending, right? Let's make it red so it's easier to understand. That it's like, well, when is this company really going to take off, and then it's going to flip, right? And the thing is, when there's delays or construction problems or anything like that, it makes it harder and harder to really feel that, and makes it harder and harder for people to care. But you guys want to buy into NBIS? Okay, let's do it. How much of NBIS do you want to buy? Now, I'll let you know, because I watch the stock like a hawk. This is the one thing I stare at basically the entire day. It's my wall. Is the wall of Nebius. 250 is an area that's very hard for Nebius. This area is tough. It can go from 250 to 270. It can go from 250 to 220. It can be tough. It can be tough. If I had to recommend for you for NBIS, I would say you put in a little bit and you wait and see what happens. That's what I would do. I'd say you put in a little bit, 25K, and you see what happens. Because this stock can move up. This stock can also move down. This is an area that's pretty tough. You guys have $134,000. $134,000.
I work for ASML, it could be a good buy but I'd if it is on US markets. The advantage we have chat, is Miz is very familiar with it.
That's not going to help you. Like that, me liking a stock is not going to be the reason why it's a benefit. It's, what do you think I'm going to do? I can't do anything. I wish I could. Man, you guys really believe in me. You really believe in me. It fucked us last time. Did you guys buy NBIS last time? I don't think you did. Did you? Did you guys buy NBIS? I don't remember. We did? Okay. Are we gonna look at international companies? Yeah, we could. But I mean, think of this as like Pokemon and we're still in Pallet Town, right? So like, I don't want to get into like bonds and internationals and other shit until we're like really understanding how the VOD works, right? Like we're still in fucking Pallet Town. And you're telling me like, let's go to the Elite Four. I think if we lose, chat will blame you. That's fine. Okay, so you guys are thinking $10,000?
Any special guests coming this week?
Okay, put in your tickets. It's only $10,000, chat. It's not much. It ain't much. It's a very small portion.
This chat is so bipolar, holy fuck. It's either all in or nothing.
Yeah, I will say 10K is like nothing. So I'm going to do something so it actually matters no matter what. I'll do 20. Because you guys were at 50-50, I'll just put 20K again. Go ahead. Put in your money. Put in your tickets. Right now we have Z's as the number one. We're a reflection of the streamer. Yeah, I mean, I don't fence it. You know, I mean, I'm all or nothing. Can we vote on Wingstop? Sure. Yeah, we can. Okay, we have not as many people interested in this company as we did with Moo, which is upsetting. I thought I had some more power than this. All right. 20,000, I put in at 24870. Let's see if it hits. No one has tickets left. That is not true, bro. There's a lot of tickets. Dude, I was giving people so much money in tickets for those YouTube videos, which by the way, there's a new YouTube video and you should go watch it and get your tickets. But I was giving so many tickets for those YouTube videos. I put a 2-hour video out, bro. Like I really let people have tickets. Which, by the way, if you want to get tickets like that, use the extension. If you're saying I don't have fucking tickets, download the extension. There's literally videos you can watch right now to get the tickets. Like, right now. All right, it's saying at 24911. I put in the thing at 2487. I will walk it up, I guess. And let's hope it hits. Okay, let's do another one. Someone said Uber. People were saying Uber potentially. Do you guys want to buy Uber? Yes or no? My company blocks your extension? That's funny. Uber, if you guys obviously don't know, it is down today. But Uber is, a lot of people like it
Can
because
we
of the
look
price.
at ASML?
What does ASML do? Isn't this the same stuff? Isn't this energy? Is this chips? What do they? It's chip machines? Nope, we're done with chips. We already said that. No. We already said no. Okay, MBIS is getting walked up. I'm trying to buy it. I'm straight up trying to buy it. Now keep in mind, I'm gonna let you guys know something. It is a red day, but I'm gonna let you know something. As someone that has dealt with this before, and I'm sure a lot of you have been there with me, it can get red tomorrow too. Newsflash. It can be red tomorrow too. It's just because it's red today does not mean this is free money. It can be red tomorrow, okay? And it can get worse. And we've seen it get worse. I'm letting you know that it can get worse. So, and potentially the day afterwards, okay? It could be worse. And then it'll be one of those green days that you're up like $600 and it can get worse, okay? So what I'm saying here is you want to keep some extra cash. You're not going to want to go all in and just sit here. You have $134,000 now of cash, which is great. You guys are doing a great job, but you don't want to go all in here because if you do and you have no cash for if it pulls back real hard, that's where you can make the most money, right? Like, for an example, like Ashenbrenner, right? Like, his portfolio, he got out of, let's go with, like, just move, just to show you the version. People were, and me too, I fucked up here. I was buying here, 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 and then it went all the way to here, and then it finally started to go back up. But you just kept buying and buying and buying, thinking it's obviously got to go back up, right? And it just couldn't. It just didn't. It just kept going down on almost no news. And that was the crazy part. There was really no news too. Like, there's not really a lot of news today on why these are down so much, but there's not a lot of news on why the Moo went down back then. So I'm trying to buy MBIS, but I also want to let you guys know it could get worse, and you don't want to be stupid, right? You should collab with Mizkif. I don't think anyone wants to collab with them. Yo, this is ChatGPT. We have paused some Frontier RL training to ensure that we can meet the appropriate alignment, security, and monitoring standards for the new level of capabilities in front of us. Model progress is now extremely rapid, and we always said we'd take action if we felt that model capabilities were outstripping the pace of safety and alignment. We care very deeply about AI safety. We believe the entire field will have to coordinate on shared safety standards. We're fucked. But well,
unilaterally.
Looks like Sam is coming around to Elon's stance.
Well, unilaterally in the meantime, we expect confidence in safety to increasingly set the pace of AI progress. We are optimistic about the alignment work we are doing, and we remain committed to making Frontier capabilities widely available. Oh, shit. This is insane. Why would
they ran
we
out of compute.
Slow down if China isn't? We are just going...
Live here.
I like how you're saying the bots are voting when we literally can. It's not bots. Like, we know every person that's voting. All right, I'm still trying to get MBIS. It's right now. It's just sitting there at 249. I'm trying to get the buy, but we'll see what happens. All right, Uber is a buy. How much do you guys want to do with Uber? How much? You have $134,000 of cash. How much you want to do? Uber also, chat, like I said, they're partnering with Zipline. Uber Zipline. This is the big thing that you guys probably heard of, that they're going to start drone delivery. So now they're going to start having drone delivery with their Uber. Now, why is this good for Uber? Why does this make money for Uber? It's very simple to understand if you guys want to get it. Wait, I'm going to scan that QR code. The fuck's this? Ah, fuck, it's nothing. Okay. So chat, why is this a big deal for Uber? Because this saves Uber a lot of money. When Uber makes you have to buy something, right? People don't like buying Uber Eats because of so many reasons. You buy a pizza, right? And the pizza is $20, right? So the pizza is $20, but then on top of that, you have to pay the driver, right? So now it's $26. Then you have to pay tax. That's an extra $5. Then on top of that, you have to pay Uber, right? That's an extra $5. So in total, your $20 pizza has now come to, $36 instead of $20, right? And that's super expensive. Then Uber also, on top of that, they have to make money too, and that might be even more, like $8, because they have to pay insurance for the people that are getting you the food. They have to have quality insurance to make sure that you're getting the food properly. They have so many things and hoops they have to go through where their margin is so low, where that $8 for them becomes like $1. But if they use Zipline and they don't have to worry about people having the food, if they don't have to worry about like protocols for them, that $1 can become $2, and that double can make Uber skyrocket. It doesn't need to be $8; it just needs to go up, right? So that could be huge for the company, which is why getting into robotics with Uber is fucking insane, right? Then what will our immigrants do? That's a good question. What will immigrants do? I mean, those fucking disgusting people will probably be going to grab your Uber Eats off of your porch and eating it themselves. Those fucking disgusting people. Those people need to be eradicated and taken away from us, from our country, because God damn it, we are here to stay. We don't want any immigrants at all in our country. None. No. None. I want no immigrants. None. I want only penguins. That's what I want. I want a bunch of penguins. I want them all to come here. No, not the hockey team. I want penguins. And I want there to be a bunch of penguins, and they huddle up in the middle of the country, and they warm us up. I think that's the goal. So if we have a lot of penguins, and they all come here, and they warm up the area, it could possibly be a very cozy time. What do you guys think? It could be very cute.
But
Illegals,
without
not
immigrants, we have no tacos or spaghetti.
Brother, without immigrants, we don't have any. Do you realize that if we don't have immigrants and we don't have illegals, most buildings aren't built? I always hate when people start talking shit about illegals and immigrants and saying shit like that. We won't have buildings. Half your shit wouldn't be built. Half the time when you want something done, like a fence built and stuff, it'd be like double and a half the price, okay? Like, it's just how it is. Illegals literally made this fucking country, and so did the immigrants. They just did. Like, I mean, it's a fact. And the tacos are so much better. You know? And the best part about having illegal immigrant friends is you always have that hanging over them, right? You can always say to them, like, dude, I will deport you if you keep acting like this. So like you always have that trump card, get it? Like it's kind of fun, you know what I mean? It's always fun to do. Like, oh,
Julie
dude,
Arkin's method.
Yeah, like you beat me in Super Smash Brothers, dude. I'm gonna deport you if you fucking do it again. Like it's always fun to do. It's always fun. Always a fun time. They're going to Pizza Hut to talk. They do love their Pizza Hut, which we could look into buying some Pizza Hut because of that. Okay, Uber, you're saying $50,000. 50 G's on Uber.
I'm about to drop half of my 900 tickets on Uber.
Okay, all right, we're doing $50,000 on Uber. All right. Never mind, that is a cap. We do not have enough buying power, so we're gonna do $550. All right, chat, we're doing Uber. Uber is a great company. A lot of people think this is a huge buying opportunity for Uber. Their RSI is extremely low, by the way. It is oversold in the category of oversold. Uber has had a pretty rough day on the red, so it could be a good buying opportunity. They had a big jump, but they had a big loss. They were just at $80 just a week ago. And their overall, people believe that Uber is going to continue to grow. I love Uber as a company. I think that their potential is massive with robotics and as they continue to grow. So it's up to you. Up to you. We have no more cash. So the reason why, chat, now you're probably saying, but it says cash. So there's a difference between buying power and cash. So you can't see it because this thing's in the way. Solutions, can you have this like over here from now on whenever we're doing stuff? Not on the bottom, like up here. Because on the bottom, then they can't see all the trades and stuff. So you guys have, for buying power, you have $43,000. That means you can use that right now. It takes 3 business days for your cash to settle. Okay, chat? So in 3 days, you'll have the money that we had today. We sold, you'll have that. But right now, you don't. All right, so Uber. We're going to go ahead and buy it right now, chat. We're going to buy Uber. We're going to buy $43,000 of it, which I think was 140, or no, what was it, 150 shares? No, it's 450. No, it's 550? No. Okay. All right, chat. Go ahead and put your votes in for Uber for tickets. Put your votes in. If you do not have any more tickets, get the extension. I'm telling you, it is the best thing you could do. It's the best thing for your buck is to get some tickets. Why is it saying I don't have enough funds? I literally do, LamalXD. Oh, it's because I have MBIS also working. Okay, so we literally don't have the funds. Tickets are hyperinflated now. They're not. I mean, like, I think a lot of people just have a lot of tickets for my YouTube videos, but yeah, they're not going to be as hyperinflated. I gave chat a lot of ticket opportunities. They're not going to have as many as they did. I promise you that. I think that it's not going to be like this again. It's not bots, bro. I know all the, we see all the names. It's not bots. Okay, so you guys don't have, you guys did want to do 50K. Now you only have 18,000, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you guys a small loan of $20,000, all right? But you guys owe me 20 grand. Nope, yes, you do, all right? You owe me $20,000. And congratulations, chat. You are now in crippling debt. Congratulations. You are an experienced trader. You are now in debt and trading at the same time. You are exactly the problem. Good job, guys. You're no better than everyone betting on fucking Kalshi and Polymarket. Congratulations. All right, we're going to head and put in the bid right here. Let's see what we get. How much percent on this bond? Watch my video.
We're up 12K.
Watch my video.
$12,000 in profit. Look
Nice
at us
job.
go, chat.
Yeah, pretty good day so far, chat. You guys are up $12,000 on just a couple buys. Very impressive. 100. You guys 100x or 100%ed on Amazon. Nice job. Let's go ahead and buy right here. 74.96 is the ask. See if we get it. Can we get it? Come on. Come on. We have NBIS and Uber are still working, chat. Oh, wait. All right, you're in on Uber. You're in. Dude, NBIS might not let you have it, chat. It's going. If it doesn't hit, by the way, you will get your tickets refunded. Just letting you know. But if it goes past chat, I think you don't chase. I think you don't chase if it does this, okay? Don't chase. Because the chase is on when you think about it. All right, chat, right now, you have buying power. You have to minus $20,000. Your buying power right now is about 90 grand. What do you guys want to do? Do you want to buy anything more, or do you want to keep? You have 90K. We can't buy? Oh yeah, I lied. You have $20,000. What do you guys want to do? You have 20 grand. Yes, 20,000 is also stuck at NBIS. That is true.
See what happens to the market tomorrow. Trim vote to get us debt free.
You really doing this?
What?
You're really playing Smash right behind me right now, and you don't think I want to play?
Wait, you wanna play?
Bro, you can't just be playing fucking Smash behind me real quick and expecting me. So chat, by the way, we've been playing Smash a lot. Like, a lot.
A lot?
Pretty decent amount. Like, you're taunting me. You're pissing me off.
Beat her up.
No, I'm...
She's actually not that bad. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, she's actually not that bad. Yo, wait, grab me my Switch. Let's play right here.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
No, we're not doing this.
No, this is what you wanted.
No, it's actually not. I'm playing online.
Bro, come on, play me.
Go do your little Fox thing.
But, come on. No, come on. It's midday. With the NASDAQ soon, chat, this will be midday. Come on. Real quick, the chat wants it, right? You're a people pleaser. Come on.
What?
Come on.
I can't. Yeah.
She finished a little light. Fuck, I can't speak. You know who couldn't speak last night, chat? Belle. My God. Me and Jeannie were watching. Bro, me and Jeannie were watching. We started watching Brotherhood. Also, I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram chat. We started watching. What was the show called? Death Note. I think Jeannie's hooked on Death Note. Hooked. And I obviously I had to show her Death Note, and I'm so glad that I'm doing it. I have the honor to show her Death Note. So, but before that we were watching, because I never watched Brotherhood, and Jeannie doesn't watch anime even though she's Asian. So we're trying to watch anime and stuff, which is pretty good. So we're doing that. And then, but the thing is, you have like Belle here, and she's like, wait, like, you've never watched like Doki Doki Literature Club episode 6, season 2? Like, what the fuck? You have like her as like one of those weebs, and it's just like, fuck, like, just go stream and do your thing with demon mode while like we just like casually watch TV. You know what I mean? What? And while we're just watching TV, chat, I'm like wondering what's going on in the other room, because I'm hearing her scream on the top of her lungs to little nightmares the entire time. I'm like worried for the woman. I'm like wondering what the hell's going on. She's screaming and honestly moaning and yelling the entire time. I was wondering if what monster she was talking about was the one under X John Lee's bed. I was like, what is happening? I just had no idea. But anyway, so we're right now at 250 for NBIS chat. I'm not gonna chase, okay? She cleared it. She cleared the game. Hey, Belle. Smash? Belle is a pussy and won't ask for a raid.
No.
Wait, you can ask for a raid.
I know.
Do you not want to play because you don't have your face on? Can you put on your box and come and do it?
Oh my God.
All right, chat. We're gonna play a game of Smash with her box.
That's so hard.
I'd have to watch more videos for tickets. Yes, if you watch the videos for tickets, you will get more tickets. There's currently a video out right now that you can watch. If you watch it twice, you get more tickets, by the way. Twice, like it, comment, buy it, break it, use it, fix it. But I think we're good for today. What do you guys think? We're holding?
Yeah. Belle paid me to ask for a raid from you.
We're holding? The key to days like this, chat, and this is going to happen a lot, no matter what, how long we do this, the key to days like this is you have to understand these are buying opportunities. You don't look at these as bad days, you look at these as buying opportunities. And the key is you don't look long. Like, that's what I've learned. You don't stare at it. Because if you stare, you get antsy and you want to buy something, right? You want to fix it. Because we're humans, we want to fix it, right? But if you just glance, buy, get off, best thing you can do. But you don't stare at it forever, because if you stare, it'll drive you crazy. And that's the problem with the market going 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. What are you supposed to do when it's red? You're just going to stare at it nonstop because now the market's going to be moving all. It's so bad. I mean, we're so fucked as a society. But I mean, it's good for us, chat. 'Cause like I said, we are online 23 hours a day, 5 days a week, right? So we're good. I have no problem with it whatsoever. And for Mizkif Global Chat, by the way, just want to let you know, we are in talks with some companies now for possible sponsors for you guys. So that's big stuff. Yes. And like I said, if I get money through sponsors, it goes to you. Okay? I don't get it. I don't want it. It goes to you. So we're working with that as well. We're hopefully. If I make any money, it goes to you for your pot, right? You should have it, bro. Chat, do you guys think I should have the money, or do you think that you guys should have it? What do you guys think? Do you think Mizkif should get the money for his sponsor, or let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. I appreciate that guy, I really do. Do you think I should have it, or do you think the chat should get it you know? No, like I think I get it, but that's just me. Okay.
She's been wearing that jacket for a week.
Belle's been wearing that jacket for a week? I know. Like, actually a week. Oh, wait, where's my... Did you get me my controller? Are you serious?
It's like... Thanks.
Are you ready?
Sure.
All right, one game.
Okay, I can't see it.
Is that Belle without her face?
Yes. Is that the only way with Switch?
Well, you just go like that.
What? What'd you just do?
You put it as a projector. What? Who is she? So this is Belle. So you probably know her because she looks so much
There
more
has to
different
be
with
a
her makeup
forfeit
on.
for the loser. We are down so bad Miz went back to games. All in on Donkey Kong.
You guys should win tickets based on us. Oh my god, dude, you should win tickets based on our gameplay.
Oh.
Why is it so laggy?
Why is it so laggy?
Hey.
Yes.
Why is it so laggy?
Yeah, we're not even online.
Hey. This isn't laggy.
Do you have two earphones now?
Yeah, you want one?
Thanks.
No problem. Yo, why don't chat if you hate Belle? But be honest. Like, don't be cringe.
That's so cringe.
What? There's a poll? Wait, are you polling for who wins and they get tickets?
No way.
Yo, this could be really big. Wait. There is one for tickets. Okay, we could do that. Hold on. By the way, chat, if she wins, don't kill me. Okay, please. Let's see if I can get the... Ah, fuck.
Anyone doubting your dong is dumb.
Yeah, but this could be insane money. Okay, why did it just go mute? What did I do? Oh, wait. You know, Belle, you could, like, play.
Sorry. Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah. Yo, Chad, I still play as Katarina. I still respect her.
Who is that?
Who's Katarina? Some fucking rancid whore from like 8 years ago. Rest in peace. She was the GOAT.
What?
She was some friend of ours like 8 years ago. She basically started hanging out and hooking up with a bunch of guys that were popular. But she got a lot of hate for it, but...
What is this map?
Wait, what the... Okay, hold on. First of all, the chat's in the way. Chat, you guys gotta get out of here. Okay, did anyone actually vote against me?
Focus,
Wait, people actually voted on
Are we
Bell?
actually playing this map?
Yeah, okay.
Wait,
Alright, fine, let's not play this map. People really voted for Bell. That's their real money, by the way, basically, they're betting on you. Is they actually are betting real money that you will win.
Simp spam them all.
Why are you leaning forward?
Because this is
Why
real
are you
money.
here? Bro, wait! Stop! That's... Oh my gosh. I think my controller's like not working.
So laggy.
What is happening? Guys, I swear I could beat him yesterday.
These are such the gayest characters, though. Like, you're actually just gay. Bro, you're making me really angry. Like, the gayest characters, Belle. Alright, I'll actually play.
Oh!
Anyway.
One more.
One more. Alright, chat, go ahead and vote again. You get 5 tickets if you're right.
Free tickets easy.
Actually, not 5 tickets if you're right. You know what? How about this? If you vote for Bell... Oh, wait, was that the NBIS? I think it hit, chat. I think you up. Yeah, you're in MBIS. It hit.
If you vote Bell, you get banned.
You are now in MBIS too. Wow, you guys have a lot of stocks. You have a lot of stocks. Okay, so if you guess Bell and she's right, you get 50 tickets. If she wins. But
only
if
Bell
I win,
can win and disappoint the chat.
If I win, you get 3 tickets. So you only get 3. And if we lose, nothing. I don't think we have that
Watch
power.
it change over.
So it basically very reliable or Bell somehow wins. By the way, she's never won.
That's not true.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I have video proof.
But you do? She got the AirPods. No, you don't.
Yeah.
You recorded. No, that's not true because I never lost, so. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit.
Bell. Cheek do it. Bell FR the win.
Oh my gosh.
You better win this chug. So it's either 3 tickets or
I think
0.
my controller's like not working.
Bell, if you don't win, I'm unsubbing.
Five counters.
Oh. So easy. It's just so easy. So easy. All right, do it again. Do the vote. Go for it. 1 or 2. 3 tickets for me. 50 tickets if Bell wins.
You mean 3 or 0?
No, this isn't Julia's record. We're talking Smash, baby. Ooh, 61. There's still people that vote for you, Bell.
They know. They know I was just trolling. I just choked.
I be live in Bell, just 1 win please. Once again, Bell is letting us down.
All right, Bell, ready? 3, 2, 1. See, the thing is, people, chat knows that I wouldn't rig this and try to let you win because this is Smash and it's literally my life. I'd be so mad. Well, it was my life.
Solutions is not here, BTW. You just get tickets whoever you vote on, lol.
Yes.
Gay ass character. Lean forward, Belle. You got this. Nasty. She does not got this. Lock the fucking girl. Belle, can you hear the TTS?
Yes.
Why does your YouTube keep saying only subscribers can comment? Belle, you suck. Okay, now actually start playing. We want to see Belle versus that little kid Jonathan that beat Miz for $100 at the arcade. Using Sora like a fucking weeb. Cinema. Teresa ghost behind you, Belle. Give up your dog water. Belle, lock the fuck in. For the drama, for the content. Belle, you fucking suck.
Anyway.
Belle trolling, I'm done with this girl. 3-0 wrap it up, Belle.
This time, I will
feel
play
like
a
him
random
gambling
character.
on stake when I bet on Belle to win.
I'll play a
The
random.
champ is here.
So this is Belle. If Belle wins, you get 10 tickets. If I win, because I'm not good with random chat, you get 3.
Why even watch her streams at this point?
I'm not good with randoms. I only play like 5 characters.
Not worth to bet on Belle then. You can play blindfolded, I'm still not taking Belle. Imagine you get DK with random.
Wait, they're saying you, Belle.
What?
Belle, is this your make-a-wish to lose against Miz?
Wait, what?
They're saying they're voting you.
Oh, I was just listening to yes.
I still believe Belle. Even though you've let me down 3 times already. Still voted Belle, to the moon.
Wait, but they said
Pick
Solutions
Bowser
is
like a
being
real
here.
Smash player.
No, but Solutions will do it. He'll be here. Alright, they voted you.
Belle the underdog.
No fucking way!
I mean, like, I'm not like...
Dude, I know you play Falco.
I don't.
It's literally, it's...
If Belle loses, she has to put the box for the rest of the day.
No way, what am I doing?
Belle, you are. If Belle wins, she gets a raid. If she loses, no raid for a week.
No!
Yo, Miz, what's the next handicap gonna be after you destroy her this game?
Kirby.
Belle, you are actually a really bad player, holy fuck.
Fuck.
If Belle loses, she has to play next game with her mouth closed. Imagine being Asian and not knowing how to play every Smash character.
She only plays gay characters too.
Fuck! Oh!
Like she always plays like the spammy, annoying fucks that are kind of like cute that like she kind of has a crush on. Like she doesn't know how to play characters that like are like
This is now a Belle
that have
stream,
respect.
shitty TTS and everything.
Fuck!
Crush this Void Matthias. Katarina for the fourth time.
So easy. It's just so easy, Chad. Alright, one more. I'll play.
Just play Donkey Kong.
Play
No.
Steve.
Do it.
Don't
You pick
do
first.
You pick first.
Play blindfolded
play
or
Donkey
with the
Kong.
box Miz is the only way.
Bro,
Well, better
if
luck
I play
next
Donkey Kong, it's
time,
not
kid.
fair.
I voted
You're
for
so
you
bad.
every time, but you've let me down.
Like, okay, why don't I?
not like
let- I'll play King K. Rule.
No, go random then.
Alright. Random again. Let Belle pick for you? No, because she wants me to play Donkey Kong. She doesn't want.
Don't let this distract y'all from the fact that
Kong.
Belle has not only murdered and eaten her best friend, but also eaten her best friend's mum as well. 20th time is the charm, you can do it, Belle.
Dr. Mario.
Can we play some clown music for Belle? Oh yeah. Dr. Mario, I'm ready for my prostate exam.
Damn, he has no range.
Yeah, how's this projectile thing? Wait, you don't play it?
I don't play Dr. Mario? No. I'm pretty sure he's
I
trash.
thought you would like the Mario characters.
The more she opens her mouth, the better she plays. I didn't know girls play video games. Oh, I see. Belle, can you hear this? You suck.
Such a gay lord. Yep. Gay shit.
Bell, you will never become Hokage if you can't beat the Dr. Mario. Short bus faces on both of you right now.
What? I'm not dead. Oh wait. What? What? I thought I still had my...
Give her your controller. What will that do?
Yeah, I think it's
Bell
the
owes
controller.
us 50 tickets.
Alright, one more.
In honor of Katarina, you have to beat her for the 7th time. Let that poor woman win against the NPC. Maybe me voting for Bell is bad luck. He'll change my vote to Miz this time. Miz has to play random. Bell, close your mouth. I said close your mouth.
No, you're such a pussy. Why'd you do that? You're such a pussy.
She's trolling. Look at their faces, they look so dumb right now.
You're right.
People aren't even voting on Bell anymore. You suck, Bell.
Alright, you won. There you go. You happy?
Guess she's a better femboy than Miz at least.
No, that's not plus 50, bro. It's not what I said. I didn't even say anything for that one.
My girl, well done, Bell.
What was that, plus 10 or
This
whatever?
is like when you feel bad for your cousin and let him win.
You gonna let her do that to you? Come on, one more.
What?
One more just so I can... let me play Donkey Kong now.
Okay.
He said plus 75, tag solutions about it.
You know what's crazy, chat?
What's crazy? Chat. What? What are you doing? Wait, what?
You don't even have. I don't even. I don't respect you enough to play the Dom. I don't respect you enough.
You're just scared that you're gonna. Wait. I'm trolling. It's okay.
She never even got to see my fucking main King DDD. You can't be still voting now. That's cheating. I'm killing myself once. Yo, take off the votes. That's cheating. Like they're literally like, yeah, like
WTF are you on about, woman? Oh yeah, he's shaking in his boots.
We know you're not trolling this one.
What? Fuck! Oh my god!
Whoever loses this last match has to put their name in the death note. So bad.
I put in my death note that Belle will die of a heart attack in 40 seconds, which is just enough time for me to beat her in Smash.
Ah! I'm so sorry.
Why is her hair that color?
Huh? How'd you dodge that, huh? You have no respect. She actually has no respect.
Wait, I'm stupid. I'm stupid! What? Did I not have my up B in it?
Yeah, you're stupid. Wait, we have a combo now?
You come at the king.
When did we have that?
Not misspell Dart.
Like, they put lol W and it said combo.
OMG.
Wait, do that again, chat. Do I have that on here? Whoa.
OMG.
Oh, that was always there.
No.
I've seen that a long time ago.
I don't have that here. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Yeah, that's old stuff. I'll teach you about streaming
Belle,
some other time.
Please do. All right, one more. And we actually never play this again.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Come on, one more.
No. So if not one more, we play again?
I'll play Donkey Kong. All right, chat. This is the last one. If Belle wins, you get 100 tickets.
Okay.
If I win, you get 3.
I've only won once today. Same as Belle. Belle, you better win this or you're blocked.
Bro, they're believing in you.
Putting this on Polymarket.
They're believing in you, Belle.
Being chilling.
Or at least they want you to win. Don't do gay shit, destroy her. I'll actually play. No troll.
He said that like 4 times yesterday when I was beating him.
Belle, put your game face on.
You've never even had a chance.
I don't have my face on. So.
All right, ready? Close it. Close it. How much if Belle wins? You get 100 tickets. It's not gonna happen.
How can you close it?
I'm letting now. Such a gaylord.
On God, you better beat this fish head into a pulp, Matthias. Show her you mean business.
You're so, like, actually your
How many
trigger's
tickets
so...
do we get for watching She Embarrassed in Part 2?
Oh, I'm stupid. Oh. Oh. Wait, fuck. Ah!
Honestly, she's not bad. With enough hard work and practice, I think Belle could get him down to 1 stock someday.
I always
What the
get him
actual
down to
fuck,
1
Belle?
stock. Shut the.
Belle, can you hear me say something?
Yeah.
You suck, Belle.
Such a gaylord character. Like you're so gay. Like you're so gay.
Come on, Belle.
She does not chat. I'm literally toying with my meat now.
Oh my god!
So easy. So easy.
It's not. You were so nervous.
I literally wasn't nervous at all.
Yeah,
I actually was
after I killed myself, yeah.
so easy. So
For the 7th time, E.
All right, here's what we're
still
gonna
at
do.
2 stocks.
Last one of
WTF,
this ticket
Belle.
shit. Last one, okay?
Alright, buddy, you're blocked, Belle.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do level 9 Donkey Kong. Or no, level 9 random versus Belle.
What? I'm not playing a CPU.
Why? They're good as fuck.
What?
You're so
CPUs
fucking
are so
hot,
good.
Matthias.
I'm not
No,
trolling.
you play.
No, I mean.
No, you play.
I think it's more fun.
No, you play.
I think
No.
just do one.
No.
Try it.
No.
How many tickets? 3 tickets
She's
for
so
CPU, 3
scared.
tickets
No,
for
you
Belle.
play.
Why?
Random.
Well, just play.
No.
Are you afraid you're gonna lose to a CPU?
Smite.
No.
They're good.
I know they're good. It's fun. Yeah.
Actually, autistic fucking relative that is over for Thanksgiving. Like,
Don't go. Such a pussy.
I couldn't play the pink Kirby because I just can't think about it. There's too much drama with that one. The blue one's chill. I have no bad blood with the blue one.
How did she manage to find an even gayer character?
I know, she plays the gayest characters. I told ChatGPT last night, I was like, how gay is my friend who plays these characters? And ChatGPT even said that she's gay.
No way Belle gets bitched by a CPU.
Like, what is this gay shit you're doing? Scuffed Jimmy Neutron? Come here. Come here.
Oh, that's stupid. shit. Ah! To protect us.
Are you just rooming with girls that are bad at games so that way you can win on stream? Is that not why you... Just shut up, Ryan.
At this point it's classic Bell losing. Taco Bell. Female Rob 221. Bell. Bell? You suck.
Yeah, you like don't want to do that because you just leave yourself so open.
Yes.
How annoying is it that I'm trying to teach you while you're losing? It's so annoying. Yeah, you want to like not do that. Like, okay, that was good. Like, good job. You like did a button. That's not.
This is pathetic. Are we sure her controller
See, if I
is
didn't
on?
kill myself.
Bro, there's no way you think you actually have a chance. I'm not even playing. You don't think I know how to play Kirby nowadays? Come on, look at this shit. Ready? What are you gonna do?
She wants us to believe she beats you off stream.
I did!
Trash.
Why did we play so much?
Because you like playing Smash. I think you actually get pretty good though. You're
Classic.
not bad. Like, I actually don't think you're that bad.
YouTube won't let me comment, it's all your fault.
I don't know what happened.
Just subscribe, bro, and then you can comment tomorrow. What was I gonna say? Why don't you try to verse someone in chat right now?
What? No,
What
it's too laggy. It's okay.
No, it's really not.
Why don't you verse chat? Don't you have like stocks
Film
to
is
do?
ready.
We're done. The stocks are done. What else are we gonna do? We're done. We did it.
Let me go. We'll continue the Smash next time.
She's such a loser. What a pussy. All right, chat. So let's go ahead and go over what you guys are at for today. Mizkif Global, you guys are down $20,000 today. My God, rough day. But you're up somehow to $1,011,000. So you guys are actually doing really good. You are up still profitable, $11,000 somehow. Very good job, chat. PogChamps for you. And yeah, hopefully we see tomorrow as a better day. But you guys bought in a lot of things. We switched around stuff. We switched our portfolio, and we'll see what happens. But you're in Uber. You're in NBIS. You sold your Costco. You sold your Netflix. You bought more Moo. You guys did a lot. You did a lot. So remember that. You did a lot. You guys did pretty good. Can everyone do exclamation point tickets? I'm curious to see how many tickets you guys currently have right now. I just want to know. Like, where are you guys at? 456, 215, 48, 446, 52, 78, 315, 39, 369, 105, 773. Holy shit. 800, 82. $452, 393. Okay, so you guys have some of you guys like 100, 200. Interesting. Like I said, chat, download the extension. It's basically easy clap for you guys to get tickets. Or have a friend. If you have a friend join us on this journey, then you guys get tickets too. Does anyone have over 1,000? Oh, BYBO has over 1,000 right now. I guess you guys spent a lot. Are you supposed to comment on Instagram? Yes. But there's gonna be a lot of tickets, I promise you. There'll be a lot more. Yes, and your tickets will decay as time goes on. When do they decay? In 30 days. You have time. Cool. Alright, I think everyone's pretty fucking black. One in chat if you're black right now. I think we did a pretty good job.
Do you already have an idea for the research stream?
The what? The Earl research? The what? The research stream IRL, you mean? Oh. No. I was going to talk to Jeannie about it today. And we'll see where we're going. Wow, this portfolio looks pretty good if you look at it from here. But chat, just remember, you can always be Mizkif. Always remember that. It's just, it's words to live by. It really does help you in life. You can always be Mizkif. Look at my portfolio right now, okay? I'm down $200,000 today. You can always be Mizkif. Always be Mizkif.
Mayday, mayday.
By the way, chat, the new YouTube video you can watch twice. And you'll be good. So it's right now, if you watch it twice, you get tickets both times, just letting you know. So, okay, all right. Well, chat, I have to go to a dealership at 4, and it's 2:30, and I don't have much more to do besides chill with you guys. So I think we can just wrap it up for today. Again, I'm very big on days where it's like this, to just chill. Wait, what is this? Breaking, I just signed an executive order implementing the strictest standards in the nation of AI data centers because I will not allow Pennsylvanians to be bullied by greedy developers and bulldozed by the lawyers working for those big tech companies. Effective immediately, we're requiring AI data centers to commit to strict environmental and transparency requirements and receive approval from local community if they want to build here. That's not all. We're also removing all data centers from our fast-track permit program and stopping any office or agency under my jurisdiction from signing an NDA with AI data center developers. I'm putting these developers on notice and letting them know that we will not let them bully Pennsylvania, disregard our constitutional right to clean air and pure water, and drive up our utility bills. I'm using the full weight of my executive authority to block the objectionable, unwarranted projects and put the nation's strictest set of protection in place. What a clean desk. What a very clean desk. Interesting. That actually might be MBIS, chat, just letting you know. That might be bad for MBIS. Or it might not be a big deal at all. I mean, I don't... Like, okay, they have to abide by the rules, whatever. Whatever. He's lying. I mean, listen, if that is the case, even if it is the case, I don't really think it's going to do anything. I don't think it's going to do it, but that's just me. Okay, all right, well, chat, I mean, that's it. That's all we got for today. We're wrapping it up. Go watch the new YouTube video. If you want tickets, I will literally link you to the video. It is there. And chat, please watch it, because I'm going to start posting on my main only. So you won't see stuff on Mizkif Live anymore. It's only going to be on my main. Because Mizkif Live is a dead channel. We've known that. We were testing stuff. There you go. There you go. All right. Well, let's wrap it up. Shall we, boys? Yes, we're back to the main channel.
Road to 1 mil starts now.
Yes, we are trying to get to 1 million subscribers.
Have a good evening.
I've always wanted 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Always. Always. Now the question is, can we win today? Can we win? We've lost in the stock market. We've lost in everything. Can we have a win for the first time in 5 days? Will you do multi-streaming on YouTube? I think I'm going to. I think so. I think we should. Because Kick ain't paying. As much as it used to, it ain't, trust me, it ain't paying. And I have like 400 or 500 active chatters too. It ain't paying. But that's why we have the stock market chat, you know? See, you get paid. No more daily videos? No. I'm also the reason why the daily videos weren't good is because you guys were just making so much on tickets. But we were kind of just testing things out, and I did tell you guys in the beginning you guys are going to get more tickets for just being here and participating, so yeah. But no, there won't be any more daily tickets like crazy. I mean, it was insane, dude. The amount of tickets you guys were getting were fucking insane. But I let you have that.
My new X account got banned because I commented on a tweet.
That's pretty fair. Did you guys get the notification for my Instagram trial reel? Did you guys get that? No? Was it 30 minutes ago? No? That's what I thought. Last one was a YouTube short? Yeah. That's what I thought too. Did you guys get my Instagram reel today or no? I think you guys got the Instagram reel, yeah. But you guys didn't you're not getting the trial reels? It gave you 4 to 5 notifications for the same piece of content. Well, yeah, it's because it's on every platform. Okay. Dude, if we have a good day tomorrow, I pray, chat. I pray. Me personally, I pray. I am deep in the NBIS now. I'm deep. So I really pray. The S&P 500 reel is the last one for me. Yeah, that's okay. We'll fix it all. Trash. How can we make the gambling more exciting? Because, like, how do we make it more exciting or more fun to watch when literally I just lose a lot? Like, how do we make this more interesting? Like, what do we even do? You bet more. Should we just go all in?
$2 Plinko was riveting.
That was probably the best content I had in years, yeah. I got your main channel video on my front page. We're healing. Make Claudia gamble for you? I feel like Claudia would be such a boring slot person.
Is the EDP video still paying the same?
No, the EDP, those videos are done. The Mizkif live videos are done. We're not using that channel anymore. That channel was just used to kind of test things out before I start posting my main again. And also seeing, I kind of had to wait till I was not hated as much. I mean, truthfully, I was just too hated. It's always, you know what's the truth? It's always so hard to talk to you guys as the gambling chat because you're not even listening to me. Like, I just said something that had nothing to do with anything, and like, we have Pharaoh 1 putting PogChamp.
Make a new AI and let him be an insane gambling addict. Yeah, I like pizza.
You want me to make a gambling addict AI? Who should it be? Slicker? You want me to have Slicker as an AI gamble for us?
Make The Rock the gambling addict. Rob. KO King. Let it be pink due to Tecton can never comment. Make it a female version of Slicker with huge boobs.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Ooh, Pokemon giving advice would be really good. Why don't we just stop gambling and give this money to our friends in gift baskets? Why don't we use this money instead for women's health clinics around the world?
XQC would be funny too.
Okay. Damn it! Chat, do you think the stock market's gonna be red tomorrow or green? Red? Brother. Why did two of you say purple? That's fantastic. If it's red tomorrow, I'll cry. Far cry.
Can we do 5% daily trading challenge when 24-hour trading goes live?
5%.
Games can be nuts.
5%? What does that mean? 5% trading? I don't know what that means.
Make the iGambler be an alcoholic too and he becomes drunker the more you lose.
I mean, we basically are day trading. Like we buy and sell so quickly. We day trade. I wouldn't really call what we do swing trading. I mean, we're not. You guys aren't holding. I mean, yeah.
Make sure the bot will be able to contact friends for loans on your behalf too.
Alright, last one of this dog shit game. Can't win in this fucking
Full
dog shit.
port on one play or two. Hope
Yes.
for 5% gain. Take gains and compound it. And repeat next day and keep on doing it.
Dude. Yeah, we only full port on plays? That would be insane. $1 million and all we do is full port every time. I mean, for a really red day in the market, you guys aren't even that red, to be honest with you. Like, my portfolio is down 7% today. You guys were down 2%. So, like, you guys being diversified helped. You know what I mean? Can we start a new portfolio for crypto? Chat, do we do crypto? What do you think? Oh. SD mode says yes. Everyone else says no.
Buy come coin.
Why not? Because it's the problem with crypto is when you start going down that rabbit hole, I just don't like. It's like penny stocks. It's worse than penny stocks. I'm not doing it. I'm not teaching Chad about how to gamble with crypto money. I'm just not doing it. Like I saw a statistic the other day saying that like, there's like 45% of kids use poly market and things like that over normal like investing. You know, like this generation is basically just hooked to poly market and things like that rather than actual long-term investing. As I'm sitting here and playing fucking slots.
Have Asian Andy as a guest every time you gamble.
Can this fucking slot or anything in fucking Titan Gaming hit? Jesus, man. Please. Still trash.
How the hell are you so unlucky?
Bro, I don't know, man. I just don't stop losing every day. Alright, last one of this and we're done. Yeah, Jeannie left and she started going to work again. And now I'm just like, can't even fucking have one chance at love. See, that didn't even make any sense, but people put kick W. I just purposely made no sense to see what chat would do, and like, why are you laughing at that? It made no sense. Like, why are you putting it or anything? Like, it makes no sense what it... Oh, wait, Delta. Wait a minute. Don't do the... You've got to be fucking...
I spam golden kek even when they're saying sad shit. Cause it's cool.
Literally the worst symbols you can get. That's what you just got. The worst symbols. Literally last one of this game, and I think I never play it again. We're done. It just doesn't hit. It doesn't ship. I'm blocking it. It's a bad one. It's my ex. I blocked it. It's over. Unless it wins here big, we're done. No way will I not get that. No way. Oh my God.
Can you combine gambling with something else, or does it have to be pure gambling?
$200 for that. Come on. Come on, do something, anything. Live. We're done. And when I walk away, chat, we are officially blocked airstrike 2. It is done. It just does not hit ever. Like, it just does not work. It doesn't work. It just doesn't hit. I just don't even know what to say to that. It just doesn't hit. It's been fucking like 2 weeks and just doesn't move ever. Is Rack City banned? No. Is Rack City banned? I don't think so. Oh, it is. It is banned. It is banned. It is banned, yeah. Yeah, that was crazy. It just doesn't hit 2 and 7, and it just like, I just lose every time, man. Miz, can we have a separate portfolio for China and Korea? Brother, we are just learning what a bond is, and you want to go 4x Korea and Japan? Like, we're like, chill out, no? Alright, we won't play them after this. Yo, wait, chat, what'd you guys think of the new video? Was it good? I mean, you guys were there, so it was good. Yeah, I thought it was good. Okay, $84. I'll take that. It's huge. I'm on mobile and I have the extension. I'm assuming I won't get the ticket for watching the stream on the Kick app. Well, right now there's no tickets for watching gambling, so you're good to go. If that's what you're here for. This is more for just chill.
Where has Drip Mr. been?
I don't know. Okay. Come on, hit again. Come on. Whatever. Let's leave.
This is a weird slot.
Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. No, not fish. Like, I don't, like, what do we even go? Like, these are, like, all the popular ones, but, like, I don't trust any of these. Like, what, Ganja Snail? Like, is this really it? 200 people are playing a game called Ganja Snail?
Chill Bill did you good last time. Have you tried the games on your recommended on the right side?
No, because they're all Titan Gaming. What the fuck? Chat, why is Mink smoking on the side of this thing? What is this game? What the hell is this? What the fuck?
How did minks get even hotter? Don't ask me the color of anything. I miss minks.
Cookies. Okay, all that, we got 83 bucks. All right. Oh my god. One more.
This music is good too. Make minks a new iGambler.
I clap. Okay, I mean, like, maybe this is a good start. I don't know how this works. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so you want the grinder, so that way when the grinder comes
Can I
up...
throw my tickets at her?
Yeah, you can throw your tickets at her. So you want the grinder. Grinder... That's a lot of Q's, right? Isn't that a good thing? Okay, that's good. You want that grinder? Will I ever win? Like, what, chat, will I ever win?
Only against Bell. Is this a normal or super bonus?
I think it's normal. This is confusing. Okay, so you want the grinder. The best one's the bomb. It's like the max. Okay. Again, I just don't know how to make this entertaining. I'm sorry, I just don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. Like, I don't know how to
This
be like,
site
let's
doesn't
make this a fun thing.
It makes me want to smoke weed and cry at
every
my
fucking
lessons.
day. It's like, and the more I do it, I just lose more.
are also losing a part of your soul every time.
Does that do something? Okay. Okay, I mean, finally, yo, Trex, that's a win. Thank fucking God, but God, get me, like, yeah, get me out of there. Yeah, that was a classic, this could have been way bigger type deal. Let's just get out of there. Yeah, let's just get out of there. I mean, at least we won something back. Get me out of there, please. All right. We need to try to find a way to win my money back. What are we thinking? We need a way to win. Like, just get back to where we once were. Let's try Loan Shark, right? Monkey has never won for us, bro. Never. We have not had one single win on Monkey in our entire life. I don't know what this is, by the way. All right, Pharaoh Shady, you're a classic winner, okay? Oh, it's one of those that you wanted to just keep getting something. Okay. Come on, hit. Hit. Come on. Come on!
So basically Papa with a shark?
No, this isn't like Puffer at all.
2?
You just want it to basically keep hitting him. Okay. Okay, hit again. So we're back to 3. Come on. Okay, another bank. Nice. Okay. So we just want things to keep showing up on the board. Okay, we got another one that showed up. Nice. Okay, good. So now it's back to 3. Okay. This guy's gonna keep multiplying this. So we want things to just keep hitting. Okay. Okay, another one hit. Nice. Monkey. Okay, another one hit. Nice. And a 7 now. Okay. I don't know what any of this means though. Okay, come on, keep going. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, I have no idea how much money we made. Okay, 900 bucks. Okay, come on.
I think if they connect, it's big.
All right, Farrah, you got this. Yeah, you want this guy to have connections. He's the connect. Cause yeah, when he smokes, he yeah. So what you want is now these two to connect right here. These two to connect. Right here. Come on! Come on! No way it dies here. Come on. No way it dies here. Are we being serious? It died there? Alright, who's next? It's always a 2x. Okay, so the smoking guy is really far away from everything else. That's not good news for us. Okay, so he's got one thing that he's smoking up. Okay, it's getting closer. It is getting closer, John. So you want this to connect. Come on, come on. No, come on. Okay. Come on. Alright.
Come on, Ellie. We need Mizzy to get a max win for once. Be nice.
No, don't die. Don't die. Come on. Oh, come on. And it died. Okay, these are kind of close. Okay, they're connected already. That's actually pretty good, John. So now you just need things to hit around the board, I think. Okay, so that'd be really good to connect too, but so this guy smokes everybody up. He's respect. Don't you dare die here already. Don't you do it. There's no way. Oh, okay. It didn't die. Okay. Okay, wait, connect these. That'd be good. Come on, keep going. Come on. Do another. Do another. Do another. Do another. Come on! Okay, that's... Okay, so they're kind of close. Ooh, a 4x. Come on, mister. Come on, Mr. Arthur. Come on. I know you got this. Yes, Mizkif, sir? That's exactly what I want you to say. Come on. Connect. I've got a bad feeling about this one, Mr. Arthur. Oh, they're so far away.
Did you see the Arthur and Iran kayak race?
I saw 1 second of it on Twitter, I think. Who won? Come on, don't die here. Don't die here. Don't die here. Don't die here, Mr. Arthur. Come on. Come on, don't die here. Wow. All right, you Mop, you got this. Did you see Julia got attacked by a swan? I heard about that. Apparently she deported the swan all the way back to Canada after that happened. I heard about that. Tragic news. Come on. Hit. Thank you. Don't dive, don't dive, don't dive, don't dive, don't dive, don't dive, don't dive. Come on. So now this says ×3, but we need this to connect. We need something to connect. I need something, please. I haven't had a win in weeks. Okay, there's another multi up there. That would be pretty. A connector is pretty good. Come on, please. Okay, so far so good. Okay. Come on. You gotta hit. You gotta hit here. Please. No way, chat. Like come on. Connect these, please. Connect these right here. Connect it, connect it, connect it, connect it, and you're good. Again. I'm just not doing it. It's every day. It's every day. I'm just not doing it. I'm not doing it. I just can't win, chat. Every day for 3 weeks now. I just can't even be profitable. It's always negative every day, man. Like it's been like this for 3 weeks.
What I find dumb is it's always either 2x or 3x where are higher numbers.
I don't know what to do. Like how do I make this entertaining? I just don't know what to do. Like it's just. You look at the graph. Like every time I hit, I lose. So how do I make this interesting? You can't. Yeah, watching Pokemon might make this better. It's like, yeah, cool, you guys are linked up. I respect that, right? As monkeys, I respect sharks, I respect it. But this guy all the way over here is so far away, there's just no chance. Like, he's just doing his own thing over by himself. I need them to connect. Like, this needs to go here. That's what needs to happen. Okay. He's still just playing with his own dick. Okay, a 10, that's good, but like... Is there games you could talk to the dealer? Yeah, dude, those are the hardest in the games you lose the most on. Okay, there's a 9 now. Okay, so that's a lot, but...
What's the max win?
I don't know. Okay, another one. And a 2. Okay, another one. That might be the end. Yeah, it's just not gonna connect. If it connected one time, this would be insane. Okay, hit again. If it connects one time, this is insane. Once. Come on, do one more. Nah, that's it. This might be a lot. Or maybe not, I don't know. Okay. That's it? All that for that? Yeah, man, I just don't know what to do, Chad. I just lose every day. Every day. Every day. $5 Plinko. Alright, time to run this bad boy up. By the way, chat, if you didn't know, we're done. You can go watch the video and do all the extension stuff. We're done. I've got 15 more minutes and I'm getting the fuck out of here. It's been crazy, chat. I'm gonna be real. I'm sure you guys have been watching and paying attention, but I don't know how to make this entertaining for you guys. I just don't, when we just don't stop losing. I just don't know what to do. Like, it's every day deep red, and the more I go, the more I lose every time. I don't know how to make this. I don't know how to make this interesting.
August been the worst month so far.
Yeah, this has been the worst month I've ever had for gambling. Easily. Make it smaller and do something else? I can't do that, bro. Do a bonus spins. Here's the thing. I have to gamble around $30,000 a day. So, like, yeah. We're just praying for a 1K.
Be the safest, just guessing.
Yeah, Plinko on the low is the safest, yes. I know how long I've been streaming my gambling part based on how much you guys tell me you're getting ads. So right now we're at 45 minutes. Thanks for the update. Well, we're at 300. Let's see. 200. Oh, here we go. 100. Yep, just can't win on Plinko either. Will we reach the 1 cent gambling? 226s. Yep. Make sure you go right back to that 4. I saw you going for a 130. Don't do that. All right, chat. We have our support. It's about $100. We just had a dead cat bounce. Let's see if we get back up to 200. Is it possible right now? Oh, nope. Never mind. We lost the support. It is dropping like crazy. The Korean stock market is crashing. $60, $50, $40. Wow, we really just lost everything in 5 seconds, didn't we? Yep, there we go. Completely down to 40 bucks. Will we be able to come back? 20. We're at the 10-yard line. 5. $2. $40. This is how far my goat has fallen. Holy shit, this is painful. Oh, it's rough, bro. It's real rough. 20. 7. 3. 65 cents. 13 cents. We haven't had a single hit. 52 cents. 10 cents. 2 cents. 1 cent. I literally lost. Oh. I'm now playing with no money. Because I'm that broke. Because I can't win at this fucking website you call stake. That I have to play with no money. Watch, I'll hit 1K. Yeah. I can't win. I don't know what to do. I can't win. Here, let's play with my coins. Juicy harvest with my coins. All right, chat, we've got $1 billion in coins. All right, so here's what we do. We're gonna spin the wheel. If I pick you, you have to 4x my bill. All right, so let's go with let's go with this, $1 million in coins. All right, good luck, SD-Mode. All right, 6,000. We need a watch. We're gonna get double bonus. Nope. Okay, 26 grand. Okay. All right. Okay. Ah. All right, chat. We're gonna do 10 million coins here. If you win, you get all my coins. Okay, a million. This is my real money. I usually play with fake money. This is my real money. Okay, 100. Okay, 200K. Come on. Really only a mil? Nice. Okay, not a mil. Bro, come on, hit. 320K. Come on, chat. All right, 2 mil. Still down. Okay, 700K. Whoa! Okay, okay. Still not okay, okay. Nice. Yo, $13 million. Nice, dude. We made 3 mil. I guess we could do a giveaway, right? Should we do a giveaway? Or should I just like keep it? I feel like I should keep. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. All right, Liam, that's a good start. Good luck, Liam. Hope your goat is a happy man. Oof. Come on. Come on, Liam. Come on, man. Okay, 700K. Okay, 400K. Oh, bro. All right, Billy Battle. Chat, right or left? Stars, you pick, right or left. If you win, you get $10 million in these coins. I already picked. Okay. Bro's not even watching. Dude doesn't want free money. He's so stupid. Bell! Bell! Chat, do any of you guys have sisters? How long does it take someone to do their makeup? "45 minutes? Dude, I would never want to be a woman. If I was a woman, I would definitely not wear makeup. No way. No, I'll rate it right now.
Hello?
Hey, where are you?
This weirdo's house.
Bro, are you at Mizkif's house? Bro, are you at Mizkif's house, actually?
What?
Are you at Mizkif's house?
How'd you know?
How'd you know?
Bro, every Asian Are those ducks? Tiny scallywag, wag. Alright, go live, I'll read you.
Oh, thanks. You're done?
Yeah, I look how much I'm up. 128 grand, $256,000.
Wait, what?
2 million. Yeah, we
Wait,
maxed.
what?
Yeah, we maxed one on the
Wait,
website.
what is going on with these numbers?
$250,000. Yeah, look, 1.2 million.
Wait, shut up! What is happening?
We maxed one on the website. We literally got the max win on everything.
Shut up!
I swear, look.
Your chart is red.
No. Well, yeah, we're down 11 million right now, but it's not really a big deal. Like 3 million, whatever. This is my actual.
It's whatever for me, but it's a lot of money for you.
Yeah, it's actually like yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's worse now. I'm gonna go all in. I'm going all in. Fuck it. I'm going all in. I'm sorry. Dude,
are you
$500 million.
That's a good idea.
Fuck it. The GDP of a small country.
Wait,
we're gonna do on.
I'm so what?
Come on. 17 mil. Okay, whatever.
That's it?
Yeah. Come on.
Wait, what?
It doesn't even put off my TTS. Come on. Okay, that's a good multi.
They're still raging.
No way, to I0. 37 mil? Come on, 20? Okay, 58 million, come on. No way. I literally just lost $400 million. All right, one more. Come on, we gotta stand up for this.
Why?
Come on. Come on. Nice, 40 mil.
Bell, can
Nice,
you
6
hear
mil.
this? You suck.
8 mil? Okay. I mean, it's not really, it's whatever. Just skip this.
What is going on?
51 mil. And don't worry, chat. I'm gonna do like a $25 gift card giveaway. This is how politicians work, by the way, what I'm doing.
How? Can you explain how politicians work?
They make a lot of money and then they offer a little bit and then the people go crazy. They play Harvest. Yeah, they play Juicy's Harvest. Yeah.
Oh, Juicy Harvest.
Do an
Baccarat
iPhone
City.
giveaway.
Yeah, we're gonna give away Bell's phone. Does anyone want Bell's phone? The iPhone negative 18D. Dude, I'm so bad at gambling. I literally lose all my fucking GC. I literally lose my fake money. I'm so bad at this shit. Yeah, if you need like a central heater for your house, you can use Bell's phone and play a video game on it. All right, go live.
Uh-oh.
All right, chat, I'm done. Fuck this fucking bullshit. I literally can't win. It's so stupid. PD, I'm pissed. Chat, go watch the new video. It's with the extension. You can watch it twice. Give it a like, comment, share it with a friend. It really will make it. I literally can't win even with fake money. This is incredible. I actually can't win even with fake money. 1 in 7 with fake money. Is there an inverse Mizkif gambling index? Yes, it's called every other person who does this shit makes money, but somehow Mizkif, whenever he plays, he always loses. I am the Ashenbrenner of gambling. That's what I am. All right, chat, I'm rating Bell. Go watch the video, download the extensions. You know what to do. Peace. Love you guys. Bye.